My lord.
Yes.
My lord, this is a criminal revision matter challenging the order of conviction under section
Conviction what is conviction coming?
436 and 34 of IPC.
Story.
Set fire of the house, my lord.
Set for the house.
My lord, the appellant are the
Ki apon kale?
due to informant.
Informant karo.
My lord.
Informant
Munda community. Appellants are the belongs to Munda community and
who community?
Munda.
Apon Munda community.
Huh.
So
Appellants are.
Munda community कौन मिलेगी किसी preference अच्छी?
नहीं, ignorance.
आपण जहाँ कर दे आपण किसी सब discount? हाँ?
नहीं.
फिर? अरे से
Poor laborer, my lord. And
crime is crime committed by Munda community or Gonda community. जो community is a very heinous crime. You've been convicted for how many years?
2 years, my lord.
2 years.
My lord.
Have you ever been to custody?
No, my lord.
କେବେ ଯାଇନାହାନ୍ତି? ଟିକେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ custody କେମିତି feel କରି ଆସନ୍ତୁ.
କଷ୍ଟରେ କେତେ ଦିନ ଥିଲେ?
କେତେ ଦିନ?
15-20 ଦିନ ଥିଲେ.
ମାତ୍ର ଆଉ ଟିକେ ରହନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ. You should feel the pain of custody ନା. ଘର ଜଳେଇଲା ସେ ଲୋକ ଯେତେ pain feel କରୁଥିବେ ଆପଣ feel କରିବା କଥା.
Proof କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମାନେ
proof କିଛି ନାହିଁ. ଆଉ conviction କେମିତି କଲେ ଆପଣ?
My lord, the matter in was firstly listed on listed on 6/11/2023. On that date, my lord granted bail and call for the LCR and
I know that I have granted bail, but ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
order sheet ରେ କିଛି order kindly ask the Law State Council, my lord.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Next.
May it please your lord. Item number 3. The petitioner has preferred this review, my lord. My lord, what has happened? Your lordship had heard the matter earlier. Not the review, the main case. Your lordship were very pleased to allow the writ application on the observation that the opposite party number 6, who happens to be the other contesting party here, has produced forged certificate and which was also borne out from the counter affidavit by the state. And your lordship pronounced the judgment that it will be allowed. Thereafter, my lord, the judgment was uploaded and the writ has been dismissed and the stand of the state government has not been reflected in that order even. Some confusion has happened.
What is the order? Let's see.
The order passed is, my lord, Annexure 6, which starts at page 23. The brief fact which has taken place, my lord, is that the petitioner happens to be an Anganwadi worker. 2010, there was an advertisement. Pursuant to this advertisement, petitioner was appointed. Opposite party number 6 challenged that appointment on the ground that she had secured the highest number and the certificates which she had submitted has been supplemented by forged certificates. That is her ground for challenging my appointment. But that was found to be incorrect in as much as the Tahsildar who had granted the certificate was examined by the sub-collector and Tahsildar said that there is no such ledger which reflects that the certificate of nativity and the certificate of caste have been issued by him. On that premise itself, the selection committee rejected her prayer for appointment. But the ADM hold that this could have been supplemented by forged certificate and the certificate which was relied by the ADM saying what is genuine.
Wrong in this order? Tell me.
My lord, that nativity certificate and the caste certificate which has been relied upon, that has been cancelled already by the issuing authority. So your lordship has only retaliated the stand of the ADM without, my lord, going to...
Unless that is cancelled, nothing is told to me, then how do I know that?
No, that was in the counter. That counter affidavit has not been reflected in the order. Somehow, my lord, it has been escaped the notice, my lord. That is in the counter affidavit of OP number 4. And that was placed before your lordship, seeing that your lordship had allowed the writ application. Now, and your lordship also asked me the question whether the petitioner is continuing. The petitioner has been continuing since 2010 till 2023, the judgment passed. And your lordship said that 13 years she must have acquired a lot of experience. So on that ground, also it should be allowed. That is equity, my lord.
Okay, that's the one thing. Check it, this, what is the facts you see?
Let me
Learn
Go on
consequences
to
to
the
verify.
original
Facts.
requisition form.
Verified by the legal counsel property. We'll see that. Okay. If this is wrong, I'll correct it. So there's no harm in it.
I pray to stay. Can I appoint that to appointment दे दो आप OP number 6.
ताको भी notice है वो.
Notice हो
So
notice
notice
नहीं भी
to
सब
officer. Issue notice to open number 6. And in the meantime, we are continuing, the status quo shall continue.
status quo as
So agent today continue or no?
yes.
Date, fix a date.
Hmm?
Fix a date up.
Yeah. Fifth. Fifth.
My lord, pray 1 day before or after 5th time.
ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ସମୟରେ ନୋଟ୍ ମାଗେ ନୋଟ୍ ମାଗିବା ମାନେ ହଉଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
କାହିଁକିନା ଆପଣଙ୍କ କାଉଣ୍ଟରରେ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖିଥିବେ ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ କରିଥିବେ
ହଁ।
ବେଳେବେଳେ ବହୁତ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଭୁଲ note ଟେ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ନୋଟ୍ ଟା ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଲେ କେହି ଦିଅନ୍ତାନି ନୋଟ୍
ମୋ-
ଦେଲେ ସେଇ ସୁବିଧା ହୁଏ
actually
ଆଉ
ତା
ଇଏ
ଗୋଟେ ଆଗରୁ
କାଉଣ୍ଟରରେ ସେଇ କଥା ଏତେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ଜିନିଷ ଲେଖନ୍ତି କାଉଣ୍ଟରରେ କି ସେଇ କଥାକୁ 10ଟା ଲେଖା ଲେଖି you'll read you'll get confused
Paragraph to reply.
the work
ସେଇ
pressure
paragraph ଖାଲି ଟିକେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଥିବ ପୁଣି ସେଇଟା ରିପିଟେସନ
note ଟା ତାদের ଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଦିନ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମୋର ଦେଇଦବା
Note, everybody should make a habit of giving a note. Whenever there is a argument, you must give a note. That
My-
will help you, me, everybody. That's better. Let's give, we'll see.
yes 5th जगह
You examine it. You
fourth
examine
I,
Mr.
I,
देखे 5th की जगह 6th की
8 has.
6th Saturday, 10th Asutar.
10th.
Next.
Item 4.
May I please, Your Lords? The matter relates to engagement of the ASHA Karmis, my lord. Earlier occasion, by Answer 1, Your Lordship has directed to complete the selection process within 2 months. As per the direction of the Honorable Court, they complied the order by Answer 7 and directed the officer to continue the selection process which was made earlier. But instead of doing that, they again made a fresh notification by Answer 8, which is violation of the Honorable Court's order, my lord.
Copy it and read.
Right.
Read the copy of the-
They killed after. Your Lordship, kindly have a glance to Answer 1, wherein your Lordship has categorically directed to complete the selection process within 2 months. But instead of continuing that selection process, again they go for fresh advertisement by Answer 8.
So that was pending. That was pending.
That was pending.
When this order was passed, that was pending.
Pending.
And they have now, the pending has been given go by and they have.
Given a fresh advertisement.
You take instruction. Yes. And Council Pratap, state to take instruction regarding the status of the selection process. Okay, next.
Sorry to disturb my items पे urgent certificate को.
Okay, I will take it.
Except fix a date.
Next.
Item 5.
Item 4, just fix a date.
Item for day is not even. Okay. Well, like this, 18 January.
Item 5.
Item 5, my lords, the challenges to Annexure 7, my lords, whereby the consumer forum, my lords, doesn't allow me to represent myself. He says the managing director should be present. What has happened, my lords? Srey is a company, it's a finance company, non-banking financial institution that went into bankruptcy. And my lords, it went to NCLT. And my lords, thereafter, a subsidiary of the RBI has taken over this company, my lords. That is NARCL. This subsidiary has taken over. Now it wants all the cases to be transferred to NARCL, my lords, to their own councils. Now, when they went to the previous council, he did not give his no objection. So, my lords, they came, if your lordship sees the order at running page 83, one Mr. Ghade, Subhash Ghade, appeared on behalf of the OP, your lordship. He's our representative. He's a member, he's a man of the company. In the meantime, there is some proceeding going on against the company, Shrey Equipment. He is directed to file documents in shape of affidavit, including the status of the company. OP is directed to appear before this commission, duly obtaining consent of the earlier council, failing which the managing director, Shrey Equipment, will remain present before this commission. My lords, the managing director right now will be, my lords, the deputy governor of RBI, my lords.
No, he is a managing director, SRI equipment. Se equipment je thila se jau. Kon ache?
See, Joe,
see.
we have no objection.
Even since that is taken over by this is a credit company.
NSARL is a subsidiary of RBI.
This equipment.
Lordships will clarify the previous managing director is to appear.
Obviously, that is what it meant. Managing director.
And my lords, if the council, if there is, because he is saying obtain consent. Now, if the council doesn't give us consent, how do we?
I understand your problem. So, what is the order? This is the order.
Annexure 7. This is the order. This is the impugned order.
Lord Constable, petition.
We only want change of advocate. Advocate will appear.
Submit that. The order passed by the National State Consumer Forum.
State consumer.
State Consumer Forum. What is the right? The right state?
State.
State Consumer Forum.
It is State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission Orissa.
SD, State Consumer Dispute Redressal Forum. The order passed by the state, order dated 22nd 11/2023 passed by the State Consumer Dispute Redressal Forum. Directing the managing director's Shrey Equipment to be personally present before the commission. If the this the said Shrey Equipment has already been taken over by what is it?
NARCL.
NARCL. Hence, the managing director of the company with the present sort of cannot be present. According to the managing director of Shrey Equipment, that is the earlier company, the managing director who was the previous managing director of Shrey Equipment shall be present. If he fails to obtain the consent from the earlier council, if in the meantime he is successful in obtaining the consent from the earlier council,
We will,
the
my lords,
council.
we want to change the council itself because he is not giving a no.
The petitioner may also,
Change the council.
petitioner is also given liberty to change the council
Yes, ma'am.
if it's so desires, if he is not giving the consent.
Obliged.
Accordingly, the let him appear once. If anything to be asked again.
My lords, managing director of the,
No, previous.
the order is if the council does not appear, then the managing director will appear.
If the council appears on that day, the appearance of the managing director may be dispensed with.
Deeply obliged. Your lordships have directed that I am at liberty to change the council.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Consent
ସେଇଟାই ହଉଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା.
This is not.
Deeply obliged.
Next,
Item number 6.
6. Typically. 6.
instruction में थिला.
Hmm.
This case, we need some time to file counter. We have already received instruction.
State 6 some time to file the counter. ଏଟା କେତେ ଥର କୋଉ ଇୟର କେସ୍ ଏଟା 22 ର
Yeah, 22.
କେତେ ଥର ହେଲାଣି ଏଥର 3 ଥରରୁ ଅଧିକ ଯୋଡେ ହେଲେ ମୁଁ କଷ୍ଟ ପକେଇବି
already received instruction.
instruction ନେବେ ଥରେ ରିସିଭ୍ ଥରେ କେତେ ଥର ହେଲାଣି କେସ୍ ଟା it has listed more than 3 times.
This is a case where the government has issued a letter.
I am not about the whatever the some this thing.
Extending
I am
the
saying so many times this
Okay.
matter has been listed.
As because the instruction is not sufficient, we
Now
have to-
Supreme Court is saying there is no tolerance for more than 3 years adjournment. Every High Court should follow the no tolerance approach. For adjournment for more than 3 will attract some cost. So I'll start from this case.
it is second, third time it has, not third time. ଆଗରୁ first time notice ହେଇଥିଲା,
Ah,
second time time ଦେଲି, it third time.
third time aila. Oh, third time ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲି. List the matter on 26th, no, 25th. January 26th. January 25th.
মানে 20 জানুয়ারি
25th January.
জানুয়ারি
Next.
Item 7.
7.
My lord, petitioner challenges the selection of option number 6 and 7 as the community-based organization to look after the millet mission of Bir Maharajpur and Uluna block, my lord.
You are NGO.
Yes, man.
You are an NGO.
Yes. The fact is that what by the annexure 1, They have
Annexer and ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ମୋ ବିନା annexer one ରେ କହିପାରିବିନି
ମାନେ annexure
annexer
5
କୁ annexer କୁ ଲକ୍ କରିକି କିଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ବିନା annexer word
the fact is that man the state has
ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ମତେ କହିଲେ କହନ୍ତୁ issue ଟା କଣ ତାପରେ ଯିବା annexer କୁ
issue issue that they have invited persons to look after
who has invited sir ପୁରା କରି କହନ୍ତୁ ନା ଗୋଟେ
the
sentence
state government, my lord.
who state government କୋଉ କିଏ state government ମାନେ କଣ କୋଉ authority କରିଥିବ ନା କୋଉ district authority
Yes.
କିଏ ଏମିତି କପି ଗପୁଛନ୍ତି ଖାଲି you have to be properly clear lower ବୋଲି address କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ବଜାରରେ କଥା କଲା ବେଳେ କଥା ହଉଛନ୍ତି ମାର୍କେଟରେ ଯାହା କଲେ ଚଳିବ କୋର୍ଟରେ କୋର୍ଟ ଭଳିଆ କହିବେ
agriculture department, man.
କହିବେ ସିଧା ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଲେଭେଲ ନା ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଲେଭେଲ
State level
Ah,
united
state
for the
agriculture
district,
department,
man.
right,
Respected districts for
ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ
for Sonpur district, man. Invited
millet
for-
mission
yes, ma'am.
Then-
Invited for
then what-
NGOs,
then what?
NGOs to look after the community-based organization.
okay that's fine
I'm,
what
I'm
happened what is the problem
from the others have been selected. I have submitted the documents and attended.
ଆପଣ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଦେଲେ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ହେବ ବୋଲି କଣ ମାନେ ଅଛି
That shortlisting ହୁଏ।
ଆପଣ
ଗୋଟେ
ଆପଣ
block ରେ
ଆପ୍ଲାଏ ଯଦି କରିଦେଲେ ପୁରା ହେଇଯିବ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଯେମିତି କିଛି ମାନେ ନାହିଁ ତାହେଲେ ତ
ଯିଏ
ସମସ୍ତେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତେ ଚାକିରି ପାଇଯାଆନ୍ତି ଚାକିରି ପାଇଲା ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଏଠି ଯେତେ ଲୋକ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତେ ପାଇବେ
I feel that I have been
ମାନେ
discriminated, so I have filed.
ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିମିନେସନ କଣ ଅଛି ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ କଣ କୋଉ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡରେ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିମିନେସନ
The-
ଫିଲିଂ
it is a-
doesn't make the case
I prefer that the local people should be given, my lord. The
local
others-
people they are not good then
Neither I have with ample experience and documents, my lord, still then I have not been. Till date, they have also not published the result list, my lord. Only by
tell me
the
one thing sir tell me on what basis you are saying you are the best candidate and you have been discriminated and others have been appointed why
regarding my experience and
your experience may have other people may be better experience than you how do you know that
but they have not explained that. Only annexure 5 may kindly send page
no, this is not
27.
the ground you have to state a proper ground otherwise I can't be you have to say the ground simply ଆପଣ ଭାବିଲେ ଯେ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ବଢିଆ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ୍ ବୋଲେ ହେଇଯିବ ଆପଣ ତ କେତେ କଥା ଭାବିଦେବେ ମୁଁ ହେଲେ ମୋଠୁ ବେଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ୍ କିଏ ପୃଥିବୀରେ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ହେଇଯିବ ହେଇଯିବ କି
Annexure 5 may kindly be seen, my lord. They
Yeah,
have
annexure 5
stated
ରେ
that
କଣ?
they have been selected. Region କଣ କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ଖାଲି selected. Others have been selected.
ରିଜନ କଣ ଦେବା ଦରକାର ଆପଣ ତ ଦେଖିବେ ତାଙ୍କର ଇଏ କାହାର ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ଏ ସବୁ ଦେଖିଥିବେ ଆଉ କଣ ସବୁ ଦେଖିବେ ଆପଣ କଣ କିଛି ଲେଖନ୍ତିନି କି କୋଉ ବେସିସରେ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ
Here what happened, after submission of all documents, there is an assessment. After assessment, they will select 1:3 for each block. For one post, one program, 3 person will be selected. Then there will be a test.
what
And
test
the
what kind of test
that is a skill test.
NGO କୁ କଣ
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା କରୁଥିଲି ସେ
NGO କୁ କଣ ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍
ନାଇଁ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ କରନ୍ତି ସେଇ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଜଣକୁ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତି
କି ଟେଷ୍ଟ
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସୁର ବି ଏଇ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ବୌଦ୍ଧ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଆଉ କେସ୍ ଥିଲା ସେଟା ସେ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ
କଣ ସେଟା କରନ୍ତି ସେ ଟେଷ୍ଟରେ କିଏ କେତେ ମାଣ୍ଡିଆ
ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ଟାଇପ ଗୋଟେ ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ କରନ୍ତି ସେ
ହଁ?
case, ଗୋଟେ କରନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ବୌଦ୍ଧ ଗୋଟେ
ଟେଷ୍ଟ
କେସ୍
କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମାନେ there
Hey,
should
it
be
is
some
that
objectivity
Yes.
he is right
Yes.
see when a person is not selected you must say what is the reason for not getting
ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଆଜି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ ଆସିଛି ମୁଁ
well unconstitutional state to take instruction
But
as to why the present petitioner was not selected, though he was the local person as well as had the required experience for getting selected. List the matter on. 11th January. Next,
Item 8.
8.
Milord, on 9/2/23, verification of originals completed. In the meantime, about 11 months completed. But
Sir,
not
अधा
declared
अधा
for
मते sentence में कहिबे हाँ
In the month of first week of February,
Hmm.
originals verified smoothly.
okay.
Till that, no declaration of result.
So your problem is the non-declaration of the result.
Yes,
In
Milord.
this
How many months?
In the meantime, 11 months over.
I got instruction, another it is pending, and due to pending of that, it could not be.
पड़े अछते हूँ कलर रीड धरी स्टेट दे देले पड़ला पड़ला
WPC number 5073 of 23.
सिलेक्टर नहीं आसो लगाओ सिलेक्टर
WPC number 5073 of 2023.
कैसा डिसाइड कर वाला फाइनल list the matter on list the matter on 18 along with
WPC number 5073 of 2023.
WPC number 507
3
3 of
2023.
2026 एका संगे आसो देखिए आपण से आरोटा इनफॉरमेशन न आलो फाळे हे जाउची आपण ए कथा को खाली गले पडिची ए रीड नले काई 11 मास पके रखबे आउडे के पळाई थिबो आपण सब आज तो
I would
सीधा हाई कोर्ट पळाई होछन
Sujata Majhi versus.
I am not aware of that because my representation is pending since May.
रिप्रेजेंटेशन के जे वेनी सर रिप्रेजेंटेशन फोकला सब किछि वेनी रिप्रेजेंटेशन जे लॉलीपॉप
Lordship, today I get the counter lordship, I may given for filing the rejoinder.
हां काउंटर रिजॉइंडर एलआईसी क्लेम गुटे पे करंते मु जानि परनी गुटे मिनिट का केस सरियो त काउंटर रिजॉइंडर सर रिजॉइंडर करथानी मु जानि परनी आपण कोन हे जे कोन गुटे मिनिट मु सर दी मैटर कोन
After my claim, they have given,
आपण के
I am the
आपन
petitioner,
के-
I am the wife of the deceased
Wife
lordship,
of
my
the
husband.
केते टका रखितले
Lordship, मते तरे 69,000
Okay,
कहले मोर
69,000 केबे रखितले?
extra sum
एबे
loss.
एबे केते अछि एबे केते
Accident benefit टा मत देले नाही.
हां
रेलवे एक्सीडेंट रू मरी गली लॉर्डशिप, मोर एक्सीडेंट बेनिफिट टा देले नाही. केवल एक्स्ट्रा सम टा देले.
एक्सीडेंट बेनिफिट थिला से कवर थिला
कवर्ड लॉर्डशिप.
मैडम कवर थिला एक्सीडेंट बेनिफिट कवर थिला कि से स्कीम रे से पॉलिसी रे तो काई देले नी व्हाट इज द रीजन फॉर repudiating his claim
The reason is lordship, the policy is lapsed,
then policy
but I have
lapse.
given the extra sum lordship.
sir policy lapse कले केमति पाइबे what are you saying
So,
आपण गाड़ी एक्सीडेंट गाड़ी आपण चले के जाउछंती धरन तो आज एंड होची काली सकाळ एक्सीडेंट आली मॉर्निंग हे गला
lordship,
आपण तथापि पाइबेनी आपण
I will file a rejoinder lordship.
Cancel that advertisement, again reissued.
you can do that is there
This-
any bar
This honorable court has interfered.
is there any
Interfered.
bar
There is no bar, but without any reason, they are
they
cancelled.
can do that without
That
any
is
reason.
judgment, already this judgment of this honorable court.
तो judgment कौन करिवो
Judgment कहले नहीं तमे आको सब देखो, take care of first advertisement, then go to the second advertisement.
तो कैंसिल करया पे से माने
Reason देने थे, there is no
नॉट नेसेसरी
again, judgment
हमारे
ଅଛି.
कैंसिल भितरे
That-
बहुत सारे
that judgment-
दिन देई हुई नहीं धरंतु के गुडे धरंतु किसी गुडे घपला भितरे ही दिवो
नहीं सीधे किछि हेई नहीं.
घपला आगला
State government could not adduce that.
तो नो कोर्ट कैन डिक्टेट
Let's see the annexure 5, I have the judgment.
परिबे हां जदी ये कैंसिल करके आउट एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर देले
हाँ ସେଇଟା କହୁଛି ପରା
ସେଇ
ଆଉଟେ
କଥା।
କରିଦେଲେ
तो कोन हेजी आज्ञा
ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଆଣିବାକୁ କହିଥିଲା ଆପଣ
आसिनी कोन
this is third time
First time I am.
ହଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
First time as per for petition.
my lord 29/11/8/12
हाँ किए कर
ଆଜି ହବ 3 ହବ
22 अगर
थर्ड टाइम तक मु छाड़ दोची थर्ड पर कॉस्ट लगेबे
ଆଜ୍ଞା
कॉस्ट लगेबे नाले आपण से लोक को डाकिबे ठीक आदर दिस वे और दैट वे इट हैज टू फिनिश नाउ नो टॉलरेंस फॉर दिस अननेसेसरी एडजमेंट
lots में short time after reopening
17th असो
my lord
16 को no not 17 16
ଆଉ ଟିକେ earlier ହେଲେ
16 असो
आगे
नेक्स्ट
Item 11.
11
Given as last state was directed to obtain instruction, my lord.
व्हाट इज दैट मैटर
Illegal disengagement of the petitioner as ग्राम रोजगार सेवक.
कहां है जी मिस्टर मुंड यू हैव गॉट एनी इंस्ट्रक्शन
No instruction.
এটা কেবেকার কেস 2023
আজ সেকেন্ড টাইম আসছে
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে Lord concept of the state to take instruction at the earliest possible, preferably. So release them at 11 January. Next
12
12
item 12 is that
12
illegal rejection of the claim of the petitioners for promotion to the post of Anganwadi supervisors, my lord.
So why you say illegal, sir? Always you have who
Your
has
lordship, see,
decided that
your
it's
lordship,
illegal?
see, as per the 1989 rules, all the petitioners are, all
illegal, illegal.
the petitioners are put in more than 30 years of service
30 years hegala
and they are having the requisite qualification. Vacancy was there.
कौन post?
Post of Anganwadi worker to supervisor promotion by
ଆପଣ କୋଉ year ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ appointment ହେଇଥିଲା?
93.
93
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
92 ଯାଏ ଯାଇଛି 93 ଆସିନି 92 ଯାଏ ଯାଇଛି 93 ଆସିନି ତେଣୁ ଆପଣ ୱେଟ୍
Your
କରନ୍ତୁ
lordship,
ପାଇବେ।
see, I have,
You have to wait, sir. 92 ଯାଏ ଯାଇଛି 93 ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ କୁ ପହଞ୍ଚିନି ପହଞ୍ଚିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମିଳିବ ଖତମ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ପାସ୍ ୱିକ୍ ହବନି 17th 18 କର
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
18 କଣ ପେସେନ୍ସ ଟିକେ ରଖିବେନି ସେ ଇୟର ଆସିଲେ ସିନା ଦେବେ ଆଉ ତା ଆଗରୁ କୋଉଠି ଦେବେ phase by phase ଦେଇ ଦେଇ ଚାଲିବେ ନା tell me somebody who has been given promotion who are from below your of recruitment then ଏଇଟା ଧରା ଯାନି year of recruitment
A number of graduate Anganwadi workers
Ah.
who filed and stay, they have got a stay. So stay भी नहीं है, बहुत जो stay नहीं है इसमें.
stage ରେ କଣ ହବ କିଛି ହବନି କିଛି ହବନି ଖାଆନ୍ତୁ ସରକାର ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇଚ୍ଛା ହେଲା ଦେବ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଟାଇମ ଆଇଲେ ଦେବ ନା ଆଉ ଆଗରୁ ତରବର ହେଲେ ହବ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 13.
13 Lord, may I please your lordship. Offense under section 20B2C.
କେତେ କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟି
921 kilo, nothing was seized from the possession.
କଣ କରୁଥିଲେ ଆପଣ
13/7/2020 he is in custody. 13/7/2020 Lord.
20
Yes, Lord.
Our
The last
court
occasion,
today.
your lordship has granted all.
what how your I mean
My Lord, a vehicle was intercepted by the police official. They found that some persons were trying to.
what was your role you are saying I was not doing anything what was your role then
I was not there, my Lord. On basis
And
of the confessional
Let me
statement
obtain
of the
instruction
court,
for the first instance matter has come. Let me obtain
Lordship
case diary and
granted
quick
bail, all the co-accused. That annexer 3 series I have given, my Lord.
how many court there
Around, my Lord, more than 13. My Lord.
all got bail
Yes, Lord. Your lordship has granted.
But verify.
ये लोग काहे रहबो जाओ
Verify already. First time I see.
okay let him verify lord cast next time এটা change হলে কইবেন না January it might be a change may not be
It
in
will
this
come before your lordship. My Lord.
So standing order.
Standing.
that's why you're so confident okay let's see then next
Before coming, approaching New Year, my Lord, if your lordship consider.
approaching new year the କାଲି ଦିନେ ଅଛି approaching new year
yeah.
ଗଲା new year ହିଁ ହେବ ଆଉ new year ପୂର୍ବରୁ ହବାର ଚାନ୍ସ
ବର୍ଷ ସରିଲେ
ଏ ଯାଉ ମା
all the
Granted.
co-accused.
ଯାଉ ସିମଲା ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇ ଦେ ଆଉ
Okay, annexer
କାଇଁ
3
ବିଚାରା 23 ରେ ଯାଉ
Annexer 3 series also.
ଲେଖି ଦବ ଲାର୍ନର କାଉନ୍ସିଲ ଫର ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଅପୋଜ ଭେହେମେଣ୍ଟଲି ଲେଖି ଦବ ଗଲା ପଟେ
That's subject to verification criminal action.
फिर धरी
First time I ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ତା ନା କେତେଟା ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କର ଇତିହାସ କଣ.
अच्छा ठीक है चल चल था पहले रख लेते let him verify first week 3rd January hello okay next
Item 14.
14
May I please your lordship? My lord, here in this case, the offence alleged under section 376-302 of the IPC, my lord.
376
6, my
and
lord.
302
Yes.
My lord,
bell oh argue kar argue
my lord, here in this case, the petitioner inside custody since 21 January 2020, my lord.
21 January
My lord.
2020
My lord.
okay
There is 27 charge sheeted witness. Out of them, as on 13/9/2023, as per the rejection, there is 14 witnesses has been examined.
out of 27 14
And no one stated anything against the present petitioner, my lord. And my lord,
so is it based on circumstantial evidence?
my lord, basing on the last scene theory,
last in theory
my lord.
last in theory also circumstantial
Last time
Circumstances.
yours is purpose status report.
so who was the person who had got the last
One Manu Singh, another one is one Kamal Sahani.
so how you are seeing that?
My lord, those two are not yet examined, so my lord, I'm praying for that after vacation. In the meantime, they are examined or not.
So I'm fixing in February then.
My lord.
So in the meantime, and then, okay. Because, some of the vital witnesses have not been examined. And they are likely to be examined within next 2-3 weeks. And so of the petitioner 6 of adjournment is in February, 20th February, right?
My lord. Oh, please.
Item 15.
15,
My lord, item 15. There is noting, my lord, although requisites have been filed in time, my lord. But notice could not be served since because the registry has received the file, my lord, lately on 19th. my lord.
okay. So, is 2015 matter account?
Well, at appointment of Sikha Sahayaka, my lord, the private opposite party, my lord, your lordship has issued notice, my lord, against whom I have made allegation. my lord.
Nobody is.
No,
Fresh
notice ଟା
notice.
ଯାଇପାରିଲାନି ଆଜ୍ଞା notice requisite time ରେ file ହେଇଛି
2015 ଏମିତି ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ଅଛି।
ନାଇଁ
But 2015 ଲାଗି ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି ଏଟା।
2015 file ହେଇଛି lordship has called for the record is also here my lord the opposite partner
Why don't you this serve through the local police station? Criminal, sir, ये तो ये केस था।
Fresh notice ଟା
Local अंगनवाड़ी सेंटर होगी। किंवा
notice
CDP
issue ହେଇନି case, fresh notice
नहीं
ଟା-
notice ଟା fresh notice ର address ଟା ଦେଇଥିଲି
अच्छा माने
late filing of
no not late filing my lord I have filed the requisites in time ସେ receive କଲେ file ଟାକୁ late ରେ।
the required in filing time. Let the registry to accept the required and effect the service in the earliest possible. Next,
lordship kindly fix a date my lord
January 29th,
ଆଉ ଟିକେ early sir କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ବହୁତ କମ date
Ali,
2015 ସରି
9th.
16.
16
Amendment, my lords.
amendment. Constitution 6 amendment of the petition allowed. Place the matter on 5th January.
Consolidated petition by 5 months, on the date of.
You file it. So January. In the meantime, you shall file the consolidated petition again. Next.
Item 17.
My lord, last time, that is, in the last order, I was directed to file sets of copies. And in fact, I submitted those copies to be sent to the Hon'Ble police station for service on the opposite party numbers 3 to 5. That I have given. The copy, and in fact, the Xerox copy of the receipt is also with me. But that is only a wrong noting that the only one set of copy was given. In fact, I have given all 3 sets.
So what we done?
All 3 sets that is to be sent to the Hon'Ble police station for service on the, as per the order dated 23rd, 11/2023.
Yes, ma'am, fix a date after I'll take care.
Okay. Place the matter on January
Oh, one more thing I want to.
10th.
One more thing, the criminal division number 407 of 2022 disposed of on earlier disposed in the same matter 15/12/2020 may kindly be tagged with this case record. We called
Font number like this.
criminal division number 407 of 2022
Okay.
disposed of on 15/12/2022.
Let it be tagged along with it.
Oblate.
9th January. Next.
Item 18.
18. 18.
May I please? The conviction under section 492 and 452. The commission, your 3 years, my lord, with fine.
Sorry.
3 years with fine, my lord. Conviction matter.
What is the offense?
392 and 452.
कौन कले आपण कौन कले?
The co-villager, the petitioner, the co-villager.
Huh?
Co-villager of an informant, my lord.
Okay.
And trespassing the house and demanding 50,000 rupees. And when the informant inability to give the money, they assaulted the
Assaulted.
person.
Limitation. Limitation is there.
When did you? When is the order passed?
Conviction, my lord, the SDGM order, my lord, 24/9/18,
The
18.
18 and confirmed by the first additional session judge Bolangir on dated 3/8/22.
Ladies.
3/8/22.
Let's make condone the delay. Delay is
Delay condone, admit delay condone,
Fine step
fine,
and bail man.
no,
Bail granted.
bail. ସବୁ ତ ଦେଲେ ଆଉ କଣ? The format, ଚିପକାଓ format. Next,
Item 19.
19,
From Puri BC, may I plead your lordship?
19.
Yes, my lord. From Puri BC, may I plead your lordship?
Yes, what is the issue, sir?
Issue is, my lord, I could not file in time the delay condone petition. And just yesterday I have filed, my lord. Yesterday I have filed. Let the matter may come after vacation so that.
Okay, Lord Constable, the petitioner submit that. He has filed the delay condemnation appearing from the Puri VC. Submit that. He has filed the condemnation of delay application, which has not come on record. Accordingly, he seeks 2 weeks time to get the condemnation application on record. List the matter on 9th.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
9
ma'am.
January. 9.
Obliged.
Next,
Item 20.
20.
Milord, prefer one week time to remove the defects, Milord.
Hmm?
Milord, prefer one week time to remove the defects, Milord.
I couldn't get.
Milord, one week time prefer remove the defects, Milord.
Remove the defect.
Milord.
Okay, Lord Constable. 1 week time to remove the defects. What's the matter on? 11.
Milord. Yes, Milord.
Next,
21.
21.
Notice was issued to the complainant, but it was shown as in the notation that it is written as address is insufficient.
Find out, let it be
I
solved
will-
through the local police station.
I will furnish the phrase address of the complainant, Your Lordship.
You have got the press address?
Yes.
Okay, you furnish it. Lord
No,
Constable petition.
2 days my time given for filing requisites.
Hmm?
Notice may again issue.
You have given that? Where is that?
I'll furnish, Your Lordship.
You file?
I'll file.
Where is that?
Phone rachi, but
Code ଅଛି?
phone rachi ମୋ ପାଖରେ address ଟା.
Phone ରେ?
Address ଟା ଆଉଥରେ cost ଆକ୍ଟରେ ଇଏ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ.
Phone ରେ ହେଲେ କଣ ମିଳିବ? ମୋତେ no address ମୋତେ ଦରକାର।
He has to file a IA for.
IA ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତି ସେ
IA
ଫୋନ ରେ ଥିଲେ ହବନି ଆପଣ IA
IA.
ଏମିତି ଉପରେ ଉପରେ ହୁଏନି କାଗଜରେ ଏମିତି ଲେଖିକି ଚିଟ୍ ଧରିଲେ ହବନି
ନା.
ହେଲା
I'll file
IA ମାନେ କଣ
interim application.
ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ପକ୍କା
Interlocutory registration.
why it's called interlocutory what is the meaning of the word interlocutory
Yes.
go and find out in the dictionary
Okay.
there is a legal dictionary can you name one legal dictionary famous legal dictionary black dictionary if you
Black
can give your email ID to him I'll give you the soft copy of that January 1st of January 9th January 9th January
Item 22.
May please, Lordship. But this matter is arising out of a matrimonial dispute, my lord. The fact of the case is, my lord, the wife filed a divorce proceeding, that is CP, before the landed family court, my lord. At the same time, she filed a case, that is domestic violence miscase before the JMFC Kotak, my lord. And during pendency of this case, as an interim relief, the wife filed a petition before the land and family court for grant of interim maintenance, my lord, and it was allowed. And the land and family court directed for grant 22, my lord.
22.
or 20
Land and family court directed to the husband to pay 35,000 per month, my lord.
what is the husband doing he is doctor
He is a doctor, my lord.
मतलब ये medical doctor की एमती professor doctor
He is working under WHO.
okay
Similar, the landed family court directed for grant of family pension. Sorry, my lord, but the interim maintenance.
मागे मागे ये सब part of family pension खाली बाहर
interim maintenance.
interim ମାନେ 125 रे केते देले
120, 151 of the civil proceeding, re,
okay okay
35,000, my lord.
35
35,000.
Say,
But suppressing that fact, my lord.
wife चाकरी करी ना कौन
n-
you are appearing for the wife
No, I'm for the husband.
anybody appearing for the wife fresh okay तापरे
Similar, suppressing this thing that she is getting maintenance, and thereafter this order was challenged before this honorable court. And this Honorable Court, while remitting the matter to the Land and Family Court, directed that as an interim measure, the husband is to pay 25,000 per month. And from February, the petition has been, sorry, the husband has been continuing with paying the interim maintenance 25,000, my lord. Suppressing all those things, my lord, without taking this fact to the notice of the land at JMFC, my lord, the petition under section 23 was filed before the land JMFC, and without considering that the wife is getting 25,000 and it was directed by the Land and Family Court 35,000, he again passed the order, the Land and JMFC passed the order directing that to the husband you pay 25,000 again.
I'm still confused. 35 initially reduced to 25?
No, 35 by the Family Court. 35,000
JMFC court koda?
DVMC रे से आउटे DVMC केस करते DVMC रे आउथरे अगेन ऑर्डर
That means 60,000.
70 35 plus 25 sir 60 my salary is 85 something
85,000. 85,000 60% दे दो ऐसे खाइबा कोन से?
Similar and thereafter
केते एबे के पाउची केते?
I have stated that 85,000
एबे केते पाउची से लेडी केते
25
regular
yes ma'am I am paying regularly 25,000.
You have kids? No.
Yes, one kid
With the mother or father?
she's with no mother.
25,000 is where in Orissa?
Yes ma'am she's
Where?
here
In Cuttack?
yes Cuttack.
25,000 sufficient, what is the problem?
So
why have you come here?
Yes ma'am. Once the order was passed by the Land and JMFC, again directing for payment of 25,000 for interim maintenance, I approached the Land and additional decisions in an appeal. He confirmed that order, dismissed my appeal. Bro.
Okay, that order is stayed now. Okay, look, the order is stayed. Where is the IA?
I am Lord. I number
notice to the opposite party. In the meantime, there shall be stay of the proceedings, stay of the further proceedings, DB execution number 129 of 2023 arising out of DB criminal miscase number 160 of 2021 till the disposal of the present petition criminal review.
Obligation.
Is the matter in March laga. March laga aag laga.
As you Lord. Because I am at no fault because I am paying regularly 25,000.
ठीक है जाने लगे 24 January. Next.
23.
May I pleasure
23.
May I pleasure my lordship. May I pleasure my lordship.
Yes.
On behalf of Mr. K.K. Swami. On behalf of Mr. K.K. Swami.
कौन हला कौन?
My Lord Senior.
Lord Senior कौन हला? वैसे फिर कौन? पांचना बार को दो. कौन? बार को दो. मुझे कोई गणेश पूजा चला रहा है मैं कुछ. बार को दो. Okay. The sale amount shall be paid within a period of 4 weeks from today, and list the matter on 25th. Hela 25th.
बाद दे दी कि मो रिसीट दे दे
हां दियो 4 weeks भीतर
मो दे दे रिसीट दे दे
फिर कोन दरगा
ना ऑर्डर टा रहिला माने लोक को आपण देइना जे सेगमेंट
ऑर्डर टा रहिला लोक
आपण ऑर्डर करले सब्जेक्ट टू पेमेंट ऑफ कॉस्ट द रिजल्ट विल बी फाइल मो को जेगा मो पेमेंट कर दे बाद आनी रिसीट देबी ऑर्डर टा नो खाली सिंपल आकर ए कोस
आपण बिना में ये पैसा को खुशी देबी आपण खाली बिना मरे हां बड़ा चालू
बार को दो
चालू
से और से न लिखले आपण देबी काहे देबी तो खुशी आ एंती दे आपण क्लाइंट एते खुशी दउची तंती तो एंती 1000 ताल 500 नहीं 5
आसी भाई सेट में
दैट एक्सप्लेनेशन इज नॉट अवेलेबल
रीओपनिंग दे देबे रीओपनिंग रे फाइल कर दे
you pay 500 rupees and do that okay no further argument
Obliged, my lord.
List the matter on
The lordship has fixed it on 25th.
25th. 25th. Okay, next.
Item number 24.
24.
May I plead lordships? This is a GRS matter, my lord. In this case, the petitioner has been disengaged from her service, my lord, on the allegation that misappropriation of rupees 4 lakhs, my lord. In this case, your lordship directed the video for personal affair on the last occasion.
Did you come personally?
Last
he was appeared.
She was directed the video to come only to inquire that whether the other persons have been
taken action or not against them.
Reliance.
The video as a disciplinary action has already been taken for those persons. Now the petitioner is there. The allegation is only
So he is saying, I am the GRS, other people are also there. No action has been taken against them. And the answer from my side is that you are a GRS under a scheme,
Right.
and you don't have any permanent feature of your employment,
Right.
right?
Right.
So that's why they have to follow the civil service this disciplinary proceeding rule and everything.
They have
So, yeah, for you that is not there. That's why they are
the other persons who have been entangled in this case, they have been reinstated, my lord. And regarding the action taken against them, they have not filed anything in their counter, my lord. Orally, they have stated that some proceeding initiated. They are counter silent about that, and those persons have been reinstated, my lord. And so far as misappropriation is concerned, there is no base that the petitioner accept any money. Your lordships just page 10 their disengagement order.
Page 10.
My lord. There are 3 allegations. Misappropriation of government money through manipulation in bank accounts numbers of a PMI beneficiary, geotagging without case record, suppression of misleading of facts.
What is the manipulation of bank account?
They have not clarified.
What is the manipulation of bank account, sir?
yes, provided others' bank account details while uploading the.
So that money will come to the
others.
others account. Oh. So that is one of the most what we call the grievous.
They have
offense,
not.
sir.
They have not proved
How
that.
can you give back account to other person? That means your intention is bad. from the
No, my
beginning.
lord. There is no manipulation. There is no mismanagement.
You will always say there is
They-
no, there is no, there is no.
They have to prove these persons are beneficiary, but the money goes to for other accounts.
Have
They
you
have
ever
not-
taken the
no.
have you conducted any inquiry?
No, man.
No.
Without
is
inquiry,
silent
how
about-
can you get to know? You must have conducted an inquiry. So cause is fine, but inquiry, did you conduct any inquiry? Unless you conduct an inquiry, you can't say that this person is because there is a lot of people involved in that scam. If a lot of people are involved, we can't single out one person. He's a very poor, small, 6,000, 7,000 rupees is getting.
So many times they have
And Rohan, problem solved so many times.
Sorry, man. Sorry.
That happened, the governments, other
No,
side government, mighty government. They should be careful. Okay, let us the state submit that. He will take instruction as to whether the any inquiry has been conducted against the present petitioner or not. Let them find it. Okay, list the matter on 4th January.
Obliged.
4th January. So there should be some. Don't you have any kind of your SOP for that? There must be some. But no, there will not be any inquiry. There will not be any inquiry. So inquiry upon करते ना? Where is the inquiry? Where is the inquiry report, sir? अपन फाइल करना है reply. If file that. Okay. Next.
Item number 25.
25.
Please to your lordship, my lord. My lord, I am on behalf of Mr. Gupta, my lord. My lord, on 10/11/2023, lordship has directed the state to file an affidavit, my lord.
Instruction to take instruction.
Yes, my lord.
What is the
My lord,
amount payable
for what period
to
the
that
petitioner has worked and how much amount she has been paid as salary and how much amount she would be paid as arrears salary, my lord. This was the
Total balance is how much? What is the balance amount to be paid?
It's around 4 lakhs. Or
Why have you not paid that? You should pay, sir. How will a person will work otherwise? Money gives motivation.
what has happened in this
Without
case,
money, you can't work.
No, that's true. What has happened in this case, my lord, she has remained absent for years together. After that, she has been allowed to work. That's why.
But that remained absent, you have condoned that. When you are condoning, then you have to pay the money. Otherwise, you should have thrown from job.
That's why the money has not been paid. It has been
So how long will it take to pay the money?
1 month.
Okay, Lord Constable, the state submit that.
My lord, a copy may be given to me so that I will
Give
take
me a
it.
copy. Give me a copy.
I'll give
Submit that. The state is taking steps to pay him the arrear. Arrear dues of rupees 4,51,073.
4,05,000.
Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. 4,5 lakh.
4,05,170.
Sorry, 4,05,173. Sorry. আমার ডট লাগিনি না বড় অ্যামাউন্ট হচ্ছে
এক্সেল এ কলা ডট টা রহুনি সেটা
ওকে ঠিক আছে so list the button in February then so February 6th আচ্ছা hala you let a copy of the letter dated 16 to 12 2023 passed by the block education officer Aska Ganjam be kept on record so could copy de do next
Item 26.
26
Please, your lordship. With the petitioner seeks a direction to consider case. Petitioner is the Sikha and he seeks to direction to counting his service in the date of.
They filed the registered copy has not been solved.
give a copy sir give a copy
No, regender already solved.
No, copy has not.
No, अच्छी mo tere अच्छी receipt.
the regender can file kare if you didn't have the copy then how could you file regender?
Somehow it has been misplaced from my file. I'll request my lord
Give a
to
copy.
give a copy.
Give a copy you have copy extra copy here
And also on
No,
the last
extra name
occasion,
they
your
do.
lordship was directed to take instruction that when the similar situated persons have already been taken into consideration why the petitioner case has not been.
Correct.
That instruction has not come.
okay learn the state to take instruction
Only regender copy he gala say instruction.
okay give a copy give a copy please the matter on 22nd January next
Item 28.
28
28, my lord, I am for the opposite party. Odisha Rural Housing Development Corporation.
May it please your lordship. My lord, I am for the
Your-
petitioner. I am in VC, your lordship.
My lord, your lordship already posted at 2 p.m. the personal appearance of the MDORH.
2 p.m. Let it come at 2 p.m.
That matter also taken up.
Okay, 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Okay.
My lord.
Let it come.
My lord, okay.
Let it come along with the other matter. Okay. Next.
Item 29.
29
Item 29
after vacation. Why? Madam, you are asking for time only. I have never heard you arguing matter. Only you ask for time. I am so much interested to hear you. You should start something. What is the issue? You have not gone through the file. When you are asking for time, you must go through the file also. You must have gone through it. Anyway, list the matter on. Then I'll fix it in February, not January. 8th February.
I'm appearing in the case 1, 2, and 3. I'm appearing in 2 and 3.
2 and 3. Who is that 2 and 3?
Pollution control.
Pollution control. You have filed any reply?
My lord,
What is your reply?
they have challenged the order. Dated 14.
Okay, let her come.
14 answer.
Let her come on the other day. Next.
Item 31.
31.
Today I am appearing for the opposite party number 2. I want to file counter. Pray for some time.
Counter.
I'll file counter.
Okay. Constable opposite party number 2.
Yes, ma'am. Contesting.
So, your name is there? Not reflected. No, his name may be reflected. You have filed your color number?
Yes, today. I have already filed.
It's not filed here, sir. It's been filed in the counter.
Will file. Yes.
You will file in counter.
Today I'll file.
Okay, Lord Constable. Simply list the matter. 9th?
Yes.
January. Okay, 9th January.
Obliged.
32. Copy number 2. 6 2. Shall file the counter. Huh?
Not to see the last order one, 12. I have paid the entire OTS amount only with a delay of.
32?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr. Sahu.
More time is required to get the instruction regarding that last occasion, my lord has passed a specific order. I have written by written, I have not received any instruction, so one more time is required.
So reopening.
Ah,
Let me keep it to reopening. Fourth, fifth, any
yes,
day, which
yes,
is convenient to you?
Secondary also first date.
Second रे.
हाँ अशोक किच्छ असुविधा नहीं
Second है reopening ना ठीक है भिड़ा था third rest. Okay.
No further time will be granted.
Opposite party, Mr. Tuna Sahu, 6, 1 week time to take instruction from the bank. List the matter.
Lordship may say no further time because the idea is to.
No, he will do that, sir.
If the bench is changed, my lord, the views will.
No. Mr. Sahu is very particular about that. Don't worry. He will not take much time.
ଲୋକର ସୁବିଧା ହେଲେ ଆମେ ସୁବିଧା
ହଁ,
ଲୋକର ଯଦି ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଲା ଆମେ କୁଆଡେ
କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ତାଙ୍କ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ମାନିଲେ ତ ହବ।
ନା ନା
ତାଙ୍କ client ନ ମାନିଲେ ସେ even I can't help.
Can
I have always seen bank matter. I am only Kaji. आप मियाँ बीवी हो.
I have paid the entire amount.
I have no role at all. I am just a Kaji. So मियाँ बीवी matter court has very limited
role.
Yes.
But just setting case.
And you also appear for some bank.
Not for the bank, Mr. B.N. Gurgata extra.
No. You are not appearing.
No, not appearing for the bank.
I thought so.
I am always for the downtrodden loaning.
Oh, loaning or downtrodden?
Yes, my lord. Here your lordship.
Downtrodden.
2.5 लाख टका को
downtrodden को किए लोन दिए?
आया?
Downtrodden को किए लोन दिए? वो बैंक दूची लोन?
ही लोकड़ी
मुझे नाड़ कहले कि downtrodden को बैंक लोन दूची?
लोकड़ी सही आ गया। राशि पर उन्हें पैसा नहीं बैंक।
Downtrodden नहीं पैसा उड़े देख नहीं downtrodden नहीं जानती सेटर पता। They just swindle the whole loan amount and then. Next.
Item 35.
35.
In this case, I am for the OP number 5.7. Some time to file the counter affidavit.
What is this issue?
My lord, there is for a association election before conducting the election, 4 office bearers has been suspended.
Oh.
They are expelled from and they could not allow to file their nomination. We approached the labor commissioner. He holds that you go and approach the civil court. Against that, we have come up before this.
They had gone to civil court.
No, we have not gone.
Some of the members who are also here.
But there is a provision on 11A.
Yes,
in the registration act,
there is society act. It is under the trade union.
Oh, it's trade union act.
Representation executive
There
committee.
The trade union act don't have such provision.
No,
The principle is same, my lord.
No, yeah.
You have any provision in trade union act?
I have already filed my counter. In one of the case, the Honorable Patna High Court held that once there is a dispute inside the union, then that cannot be resolved by the commissioner. It has to go before the civil judge for in civil suit.
The civil suit.
Civil suit is a bar. I will satisfy your lordship. Civil suit is a bar, and that apart, after the governing body seizes its power, and when they are going for an election, that special officer who is in charge of the governing body, they cannot put some members for expulsion. Because they can carry out the day-to-day affairs. But after supersession, they cannot take a policy decision to expel somebody else. That is the judgment of this honorable court. That judgment has been reported.
So,
my lord, in
you are saying,
according
there
to
is division.
you are saying something.
If there is any illegality in
No. You are asking for some time or something.
Yes.
some time
For what? For what?
counter affidavit.
Let him file the counter.
Oblige.
Let him file. And consequence of opposite party 6. Here for the opposite party 1,
5.7.
5 and 7. Opposite 5 and 7 to file the counter affidavit. List the matter on 12.
My lord, your lordship may direct them to produce if the election has been held, the document relating to election be produced before your lordship.
In counter affidavit, will file what is
Because that is the only crux of the
In
matter.
the meantime, if the election has been held, the petitioner to file the details of the election, the documents pertaining to the opposite party to file the details pertaining to the election.
Oblige.
on their end also, if they are suspended, representation is to be submitted before the commission.
Let
Executive committee.
let
There is
everything come
appeal-
to before your
there is
lordship.
appeal provision before the general body. They have not made.
We'll see that. Next,
Item 36.
36. 36. None appears. None appears. 17. 17.
Item 37.
Just now they
No, no.
are handing over the rejoinder affidavit.
No, that is.
Just
the
now
two-
they are handing over the rejoinder.
No, I don't deny that.
So you want to
I just
go
want to
through
go
it.
through.
2-4 days because.
3rd January. This is the matter on 3rd January for final hearing. Final
Third-
hearing.
yes,
How time
yes.
even? Final hearing. Final hearing.
No,
FINAL. Final.
But-
How did late?
I think one,
Yeah.
one,
4 or 5 times this matter has been.
yes. No, one document I have annexed, which is their document in under RTI, where they themselves have stated that there is absolutely no notification. So that will decide itself.
Notification may not required in this case. I'll certify.
We'll see that.
We'll see.
Yes.
No, that-
Next.
The interim order to be
Interim order to
continued.
continue.
Your lordship has fixed it to 4th.
Third.
Third.
Okay.
38. 38. 38.
My lord, I have come before your lordship for a direction to dispose of annexure 5, page 16, my application for OTS. And he has taken instructions also.
Is there any OTS available?
Bank has already issued a particular letter to submit the fresh OTS application.
Page 15, your lordship.
So you have submitted.
Yes, page 15.
That is a simple letter. OTS application is a standard format.
So I don't know.
Nice, sir, he is coming up with new stories. That's the PT, my lord. He's page 15.
Milord, by taking the earlier OTS and now that taking the link of that earlier OTS.
Mr. Sahu, let me submit. I am the PT. Page 15, my lord.
I'm there.
Earlier OTS
ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ କହିବାକୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ କହିବାକୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
fresh OTS application.
କୋଉଠୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା 25 ର this is letter dated 25/9/2023 at the top right hand corner, my lord, this letter.
Is there any harm in giving a fresh?
I have already given, I have already paid.
Milord, this is a letter. OTS application. OTS application means
they need a fresh. Give me fresh.
This is the press application, my lord.
To
Your lordship may look at.
month of September, sir.
25 your lordship may place it. As per available records, OTS section such as per mail dated such and such, you are requested to submit fresh OTS application for account of Dwarika traders. My lord may turn to next page. Page 16. With reference to the above, I like to inform you that OTS compromise letter such and such, offer kali, they have received it on 12/10/2023. This is they have to consider. Now, left hand doesn't know what right is doing. I paid it.
Milord, if this being the position.
Excuse me, let me submit first. Let me submit.
Let him.
8 lakh taka sir deli. 1 lakh I paid. Then I have paid on 10/11/2023 3.5 lakh. 20/11.
Sunantu. See, you are asking for their mercy and you can't be harsh on them. No, that
I'm
can't
not
be allowed.
asking for mercy.
No,
This is
bilkul,
a-
they are asking for their mercy.
Under a scheme.
Under the scheme, so what? You can't compel them.
Every time I'll come
Every
go
time
to them with a letter, my lord.
they are asking for some new OTS application that they give it.
I showed it to your lordship.
Then
This is
not
what
the
they
way, sir.
wanted. I gave it to them.
As if you are doing some favor to them. That's
It's not a
not the
question of
way.
favor, your
That's not the way, sir. When they are asking for something, you have to give it.
I have given, my lord. That is the problem.
Where is you have given it 2000 in the month of September?
No.
Now it is in the December.
In October.
Even October. Now we are in December.
They asked me in September 25th.
Sir,
I gave it on 6th and
if the
23rd.
bank is asking that, you should give a fresh proposal. Give it. Khatam. Why is unnecessary quarreling over that issue?
Let them submit the OTS application.
Please, submit that, whatever the manner in which they
Your
want.
lordship feels and thinks, my lord, that the prayer is very innocuous from the bank.
Sir,
But
let me. I cannot help anything. It is between you and bank. Is a bank and bank. If bank consider, I don't have any issue. And if bank doesn't consider, I can't help you.
Because
I cannot help anything except facilitating this. Nothing else. So you just give him an application. They want an application. Give it. If they consider. They don't. They don't.
I am not able to put forth my grievance.
No, I understand your grievance,
Your
sir.
lordship, no, this is something, my lord, I am not able to persuade your lordship to agree with me.
Sir,
Reason is, my lord, I have already
this
approved
is
them.
not a rocket science which I can't understand. Simple thing. Straight away, you go to the bank, approach the new, whatever OTS proposal is there, give it. If the bank consider, they don't consider, they consider. So, court can't go beyond.
They have received this letter, my lord. Annexure 5, page 16,
But
they
they
have
might
received.
have received, if they are saying that, maybe there is, again, 2-3 months, every day counts in bank matters. So, since it is a 2 months old matter, so why to give a new one? What is the harm in that? I don't understand. Court can't do that, anything. Court
Your lordship
can't
may
do
direct.
anything. Yes, that's what I'm saying. It matter to learn consequences.
And in the meantime, I have already paid, my lord, pursuant to this, 8 lakhs, 7 lakhs.
Discuss with them.
8 lakhs,
But
8
the
lakhs.
bank is this petitioner to approach the bank with a fresh proposal, OTS proposal in the format prescribed, in the format prescribed, and the bank shall consider within a period of 1 month from the date of presentation of the proposal. And we're going to display. But let sometimes it helps. If they want, they want. Next. अरे भाई दे दिया ना काम.
Nice, sir. Actually, your lordship has passed the order. They asked me in September 25th. I gave it on 6th October. 10 days.
You don't have options. You don't have option. Either you
This
give,
is pursuant on OTS
see,
scheme. my lord.
always remember OTS mean a lot of sacrifice on behalf of the bank.
This is pursuant to a
Since
scheme.
it is sacrificial, a lot of sacrifice being done by the bank. So that's why they have to
Sacrifice is
consider.
available for him, not to me, my lord.
No, you are not. They are sacrificing for you. They are sacrificing
Sacrifice is for him because it is under scheme.
Obviously,
Same
you are
sacrifice
taking
for
loan.
me as well.
You have taken loan. They are sacrificing for you, sir.
For everybody, they are sacrificing.
And then you pay the whole amount. Then pay the whole amount.
My lord, I come under this scheme.
You are not coming under any scheme. They will consider then all this.
As
You
this-
are under his mercy. Remember, this is one sentence. Let me tell you.
Nice,
You
sir.
are
Not-
under his mercy totally.
Not as simple as that.
Then pay whole amount. Why should you come to court?
Mercy, nice, sir. It is
You are
it is
of
to be
course
treated equally.
treated equally. Nahi. पैसा न देले बैंक रे OTS is always mercy. OTS is a proposal. They sacrifice. Why for the sacrifice? ଆପଣ ଦେବେନି ପଇସା ବୋଲି sacrifice
Nice,
କରୁଛନ୍ତି
sir.
ସେମାନେ.
Scheme ରେ ଅଛି.
ହଁ
The scheme is
scheme
there.
ତ ଦିଆଯାଉଛି OTS ଦେଇଦେ ବୋଲି ଲୋକ ବାଣ୍ଟିବା ପାଇଁ ଦେଇଛି.
Yes, my lord. I have enclosed this scheme also.
Sir, I know that scheme. You apply.
Non-discriminatory, non-discriminatory.
पता है. I know that. Non-discriminatory.
Maybe
You have done so many bank matter. I know. Okay.
our knowings are not matching, my lord. That's the whole thing. We are not on the same page.
Because you are not in the bank side, no? That's why. Public money.
No,
Public
you-
money, sir.
you-
Public money.
It is good that your lordship believes lawyers. It is good that your lordship believes the bank's lawyer, but not blind believe, my lord.
Blind.
my
Blind.
lord.
Blind.
In fact, that is not what Mr.
Sometimes you have to be blind. It depends on the case. If case is like that, you have to be blind. Sometimes you have to deliberately be blind. Because public money. This is public money. Next.
Item 39.
39.
I made a claim before the insurance company, my lord. My harvesting machine was burnt and your lordship was directed to approach the bank. Accordingly, I approached the bank, my lord. And the bank, as per my claim, 9 lakhs spent is not
What is the
paid.
issue?
The insurance has not paid my full amount, my lord. He will pay half amount, 7,70,000.
Sorry.
Therefore, I have again approached your
Sir,
lordship.
ଟିକେ ଧୀରେ କହନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଗଲା ମୁଁ ମୋର ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ କରିପାରୁନି.
7,70,000 9 ଲକ୍ଷ ଜାଗାରେ sir.
ହଁ
7,70,000.
Petitioner has claimed, my lord, 9 lakhs.
No, I have
But then the
claimed
meantime-
9 lakhs, my lord. My
9
damage 9 lakhs. And the lordship is direct to approach the authority. I have approached the insurance company. And they have not
What
paid.
happened? What happened?
They have not paid my money, my lord. So 9 lakhs compensation. I have claimed, but they have
Who
now.
passed the order to pay 9 lakhs?
Nobody, your lordship is
Who
direct.
has passed the order to pay 9
My
lakhs?
lord, no order was passed, my lord. Your lordship has.
No, why are you saying 9 lakh?
I have made a claim application, my lord.
Your claim, what was your assessment by your assessing officer?
At that time, they have
Yesterday we are appear in this case, my lord.
You can claim
That's-
anything. Will they pay everything? Whatever you claim. That will,
My lord, I
that
pray
depends
some
on
time
their
to file
assessing
the
officer
counter,
also.
my lord.
But I have lost, my lord, more than 9 lakhs. More than 9 lakhs. Our entire machine was bought a new machine, my lord. I have sustained it. You loss of 25,000, my lord.
So you have,
I am for the insurance. I am for the insurance company, my lord.
we assessed it.
My lord, we don't have any document. Yesterday we are appear in this matter, my lord. That's why I
Give
pray
a
for time.
copy to him.
I have given my lord copy.
You get the copy.
Yes,
Plan transfer the insurance. The laptop.
Copy and
SSC.
file the counter. We also file the
File
counter.
the counter along with all the documents. Hello?
Yes, my lord. Lordship may direct my senior name may be reflected in the cause list, my lord. There is Mr. GP Datta.
What is your name?
My name is Mr. Somyaranjan Oja. Yes, sir. Oja.
Along with Samarajan Ojale.
Your name is there.
ठीक
His name is there. Sir. His name is there in the
There?
list.
Okay.
My senior name is not.
Ensuring.
Oh, a date may be fixed, madam.
Okay. Next.
A date may be fixed.
Date. 12.
Oh, blessed, my lord.
Next.
Item 40.
12 January. 40.
Lords, in the third writ petition, I have instructions from the State Bank to appear in the matter. We'll take some time to file the Vakalatnama and the counter.
Okay, you want to file local? No?
All the
Done
three matters are the same branch.
Ah.
All the three matters are same branch. Here the issue is, I have closed the loan in 2017. 3 loans, 2 loans closed in 2017. They accordingly they withdraw their original application before the DRT. Till date, I am not able to get the original documents, property documents. That is the only issue. Madam.
Let her take instruction.
I'll
She's
take
very
instruction, but I don't
fast.
even have the brief.
May I
Transfer
pray
to the
essential-
bank, to take instruction.
But if you can give me copies in the first two matter, because
Give a copy also.
the chief manager
have
gave me
copy?
only the,
Notices were sent. One more copy I can provide.
if he can.
Yeah, sure.
To take instruction. 3rd January.
Well, that's my kit.
3rd January.
The second week, first week.
No, first lordship ne
But I'm not available till 4th.
ठीक है 9th कर देना.
Nine.
3rd and 9th.
the documents are required for me to for my personal purpose. So they are holding it for life.
Okay, 9th, not much. Okay. Next.
41.
41.
41, I am for the petitioner, your lordship.
You are for?
I'm for the petitioner, your lordship.
Petitioner.
I'm challenging the public hearing dated first.
Why are you challenging, sir?
Because large number of people were not allowed to appear.
Why large number of people are not allowed? If you are not there, if you don't go, then
Your
should
lordship,
you
they have
blame
answered to that question.
No, why you are not allowed?
Because they are the ground they have taken is that there was no available seats in that location. It was overcrowded. Their only ground is that. Your lordship, they have filed in their counter also. Page number 5 in their counter.
No, counter fine, but just I'm asking. Earlier also there was one petition before me, so that's what I'm telling you. So if people are not allowed there, then how other people could go then?
They are only allowed.
Why you are one person? Why they
No, not one person. There are 2,000 to 3,000 people who were not allowed.
2,000 to 3,000?
Whole villages were not allowed.
Where was the venue?
Jharsuguda.
Which place?
Jharsuguda. I'm just saying, your lordship. It's Belpahad.
Which is the location of that?
Kurdoloi. It's the name of the location is Kurdoloi. Kuroloi. Sorry.
Is it open space or any?
It's the Panchayat office.
Panchayat office.
Your lordship.
Panchayat office. What is this capacity of sitting capacity? Of
They are 300 people were overcrowded for them.
Sir, अगर ऐसा होता है तो why don't you do one thing? Some of the representatives of that villagers should go.
No,
Entire village
entire village.
special ଗୋଟେ boundary stadium ଟେ ବନେଇବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ.
No,
ଆପଣ ଭାବିବା କଥା ଠିକ ଅଛି ସେତେ ଲୋକ ନ ଯାଇକି representative ପଠେଇଥାନ୍ତେ.
That was also not allowed because representatives are the petitioner.
They have been allowed in phase
Sir,
manner.
it is a common complaint that in any public hearing we are not allowed. We are not allowed. This is blackmailing tactics.
No.
Yes, sir. I have been that site earlier. Okay.
But in this they have accepted that. They have accepted they haven't allowed us.
Nothing is there. Only this is only blackmailing tactics.
No,
there
they
are
have
some to be very I am very blunt on that. ଯିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ପଇସା ଦିଅ ନ ଦେଲେ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଫାଇଲ ପକେଇବେ ଏଇଟା କାମ.
No, this is
Those who have given statement.
Why should they discriminate? Tell me. What is the reason for discrimination?
It's best known to them.
Nothing like that. Unnecessary. You are coming with such kind of.
No, but selective people may be allowed. One public hearing, selective
Then
village
why
head.
don't you choose some of your representatives to
Yes,
be-
we will
to be
choose.
there?
At
Then
least,
why thousands of people?
no, thousands will go.
There is a public hearing spot. There will be a capacity. Suppose there is a closed room. Then there may be capacity. Maybe 1,500 something. So you just, some of your representatives should be allowed.
100 or
Entire the villages can't
no,
be
no, I am not
accommodated.
asking for entire. 100 people at least may be allowed.
So how many
Representative.
people attended that, sir?
100, 200 may be allowed.
How many people attended?
300 or people.
300 people attended. Your representatives.
The main representatives were not allowed in this case.
Sir, who will decide? In the read court, to decide all these
No,
things.
no.
Then
But the villagers are, they have even.
villagers are. You should have decided in your village who will be present in the meeting. You must. So suppose there are 1,000 public people residing the particular village.
Your lordship.
If 1,000, every person cannot be accommodated. So you should have decided, okay, from 1,000 person, 3, 4, 5, 6 people will be there. They will voice our concern before
the main petitioners who were, they were the village panchayat, sarpanch, and they were not allowed even. They were not allowed.
who were panchayat and all the sarpanch and all.
What has happened, they have came late. So all the seats were being filled up.
No, it's not.
And
See,
the
these are
police only police only requested them to stay there so that if after vacation of the some seats, they can go and they can sit. And they have started shouting and
There was
slogan against.
Tell me what is your grievance then? First tell me.
Yes, I want my voice to be heard.
No, now you
Because one grievance is that some,
you raise your grievance here.
one grievance is that some schools are going to be demolished. And what steps they are taking for the relocation of the teacher students? They should at least give a word that.
What step you have taken, sir? Now you pass on this message to your client. Okay. Yes, what step you have taken?
That is not their ground in the VA.
Yes, I have taken.
But the thing is that if that will be considered, then that can be only considered under the PIL law.
Hello, may I make a submission? I'm for R9. We are the project proponent. They have raised 2 grievances in their writ petition, and that, may I just point out, it's at page 12, para 13. The 2 grievances are, one, that there are certain water bodies that may get affected, and what is going to be done with respect.
So you have taken steps for that?
Yes. So that the EAC is also, I've got the minutes of the EAC also. They have gone into that issue. And they've said that the water body, there are certain 2 nalas. There is one which is perennial and one which is seasonal.
So they are not affecting the perennial nala?
We are not affecting. In fact, there is certain redirection being done.
So you just let me do one thing. Your grievance can also be addressed. So you are saying that school will be damaged.
School and this one that perennial.
Yes, nala.
Yes.
So what about school?
So yes. Now, as far as school is concerned, the report which has been given that CSR activities have been undertaken. My lord, may kindly see page 156. We have also taken note of that. Page 151. This was a land acquisition. It's actually not an environmental issue, but still, what they are saying, there are concerns and grievances which have to be addressed.
So if these are the concerns,
151, page 151,
the project proponent must address these issues.
Yes, these have been dealt
with. This is public issue that can't be left just like that.
Yes.
So both the government and the project proponent should take care of that issue. First, school.
Yes.
If school is suppose relocated.
Yes.
That this school should be established.
Yes.
New school.
Yes.
Without disturbing whatever the distance, new school relocation distance is very far or nearer?
It's not given. It's not given where they are relocating.
Right.
But
my lord, may I just point 151?
But school is being relocated.
Yes, page 150. May they kindly see? 150. I'll just point this out. What is written there? I'll go by what is written. Page 150, bottom, infrastructure development. Company is in the process of transforming 23 Anganwadi centers through Nangar, providing better care and education to children, upscaling centers through building, land scaling, etc. Community infrastructure development such as roads, school, community centers, development ponds, etc. will be undertaken. Then number 7 is land acquisition, private land and alienation of government land through ITCO. Land will be acquired and will be leased out for coal mining, etc. R&R benefits to be provided. So, my lords, these are all part of R&R which we are putting, schools, etc. will be.
No, one thing is that
yes.
What happens in most of these kind of cases, the companies come with such a nice wording and all these reports, everything is there, but at the time at the ground level things are different.
Yeah,
I'm giving an example.
Yes.
In the mining areas, most of the mining areas, all the companies will have a beautiful PPT presentation, everything before the green tribunal. If you go to that area, things are totally different. So that's why this you should ensure, both government and the project proponents should ensure that the students, the school, the students' education should not be disturbed. And if you are suppose relocating, if there is a emergent need for relocating them, that should be relocated far as possible nearer to the village, and all the facilities with good, your building, everything should be reconstructed. That is the first thing.
Yes.
That has to be ensured by the company. Otherwise, their grievance is basically their villagers, their grievance is genuine also, because their children are suffering, going to suffer. And also the Nala part, because there is a regular, if this kind of activity, these nalas often gets destroyed.
Yes,
And
so that in fact, as my lords put it, that the grievance, whether that has been addressed now. So as far as Nala is concerned, the EAC minutes also there, we can pass it across, which is dealing with the Nala issue. And we have said at page 78, PDF page 83, we deal with the Nala. May I just point that out? Sorry. That my lord may kindly see page 78. Page 78. So there are two Nalas. There's the Lilari Nara at page 78. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
70?
Page 78. My lord has that?
Yes.
The Lilari Nala shall be diverted for along the ML periphery and will be connected to its original source in the southeast part of the coal block. Besides this easterly flowing seasonal Hira, this is the seasonal Nala, the second one, Hinjan Kharu Jhor, which joins Lilari Nara at the center of the block, will also be reorganized. Proposed Nala diversion will be implemented subject to approval from and water department resources. Then garland drains will be developed.
They have approved it?
Now, my lord,
Diversion.
EAC, I'll just point out the
Yes,
EAC minutes. I'll just give the EAC. My lord may see that. Just pass it. Pass it to the other side.
The diversion should not destroy the original character of the Nala. That's important.
Exactly. My lords may kindly see what the EAC has done. What we have put before them and what they have said. My lords have page number 5. If my lords may come to page 5. My lords has that?
Yes, 5.
Details of public hearing and related issues. And my lords may kindly see they talk about the thing, and serial number 8 at the bottom.
Yes.
Lilari Nara cuts across the block flowing from northwest to southeast. Lilari Nala shall be diverted along the ML periphery and will be connected to the original course of IB River in the southwest part of the coal block. Besides this easterly flowing seasonal Hinjan Kharu Jhor.
No, I want a detailed report from that. Government, you file a report.
Yeah.
What is the steps you have taken for the protecting the original character of the Nala? If there is a need for diversion, you must file a detailed
Yes.
report.
My lord, may I just show the next para? It may address that. I'm subject to what my lord said. DPR for diversion of Nala has been prepared. An application for approval for DPR has been submitted to Water Resources Department, so and so. Has requested Chief Engineer or not Mahanagar to visit an assessment of irrigated land that will be affected due to diversion of Nala of Kullau. A North Pole.
If necessary, I must send a court commissioner to go and visit that place and find out what is the steps taken, how they are going to affect the people, and how the school children should not suffer. All these things can be.
Your Lordship.
That is part of the RNR, which is
file your this detailed report. Okay, and consult the
that we
state.
can.
State to file a detailed report regarding the relocation of the school and what steps they have taken to ensure that the children's education and children education doesn't suffer. Number one. Number two, the Lilari Nala, and also the
Hiran. It's called Hiranpur.
This is Lilari Nala.
Lilari Nara.
And the other one, Hinjan Kharu Jhor.
Hinjan
Kharu Jhor, your Lordship.
And also the proposed diversion to the Lilari Nala, Lilari, Lilari, Nalla, Nala, and other Hinjan Kharu. And the other is Hinjan Kharu Nala. Whether the proposed diversion of this Nala is going to affect the natural course of river flowing, the flowing of water, or not. So this, any other grievance you have?
These were the two which was raised in the relative. Yes.
That's all.
Yeah,
Are you happy now?
and R&R also.
RNR,
Yeah,
that will, that's a different issue.
Yeah, Lordship.
So basically, you are.
On these two issues.
These two issues.
But that page 13.
Let them file the reply.
Yeah, Lordship. Yeah, Lordship.
And if you have any grievance, you can.
Yes,
Your Lordship.
absolutely.
How much time you need for that filing?
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Manoj, may I be also permitted to file a counter? I'll put all
You
the
can file,
details.
not problem.
I'll put all the details.
Yeah, Lordship.
You can file both the parties. So should I fix it on 24th January?
25th.
25th.
If convenient.
25th.
I have no problem. Only convenient to you people.
Or 24th is fine. Deeply.
24th, 25th, whatever.
So 24th is fine.
24th. Your Lordship.
Let's say we have 3 copy of the order maybe.
How?
Deep progress.
Next.
Item 42.
42.
In item 42, yesterday only I have appeared for OP number 4. Some time to take instruction.
You want time to take instruction?
Yes. I filed my wakalat yesterday, only, my name doesn't reflect.
You got copy?
Yeah, I've got
Already,
the copy.
sir. Okay, let us consider the opposite party. For
Four.
the OP number?
4.
4. Mr. Balakrishnan, 6 time to file the reply. Listed matter 19.
No coercive action in the meantime.
No coercive action in the meantime.
Obliged.
In fact, it is the SBI Life has to do the work. We have nothing to do. It is the insured, she has expired.
So SBI Life.
SBI
They are
Life.
not appearing for SBI Life.
No.
Somebody else.
Only a state.
So then
bank.
let notice go to them.
Notice has already gone.
They have not
OP
received.
number 5 and 6.
So you, somebody must be.
Mr. Ashok Kumar Mahanti is there.
So just
Ashok Kumar.
intimate them.
I'll intimate.
The 19 years.
Obliged.
Okay. In the meantime, the SBI Life is also directed to file the reply. It
Let
is-
him serve a copy.
I will serve.
या तो
Ashok
दे
Kumar.
दे सर दे 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 देवे
Again.
Again, they-
हाँ दे दे तंग
Again.
next
Item 43.
No coercive action.
no question 43
Matter is related to the appointment of the Anganwadi worker, helper, my lord. Jamunda block. OP number 4 is not appear. I am already filed my notice, my lord, on 4/12/2023. May Premal kindly taken after vacation, my lord. After vacation, my lord. Notice already filed, my fresh notice, my lord.
okay
The corrected address, my lord.
2012 रे मैटर टा फिर कौन पे आपण मागुसन टाइम
OP number 4 के appear कोन नथले, my lord.
एपी नंबर 4 की
OP number 4 continue करी
जे नकला नहीं
मतलब एबे नोटिस टा जाइछ, my lord. Correct address है, address टा भूल थिला, correct address है notice जाइछ.
and consider the petition submitted the OP number 4 has been served 4 has been served recently, so accordingly this the matter on 11 hours. Let them give it to OP number 4 to appear in the next date of appear in person or through any next
44.
44
Kindly-
44. No, quite.
43 and 44 are similar, but may be tagged up, Miller. They are challenging the same Anganwadi center.
43.
43 and 44.
I have taken notice pursuant to my lord's direction on 24/11. I have taken fresh notice on OP number 5. Her presence is
you are appearing for whom?
petitioner. 44 petitioner. In 44,
So other OP number 5 has not received.
my lord's directed on 24/11. I took through our CDPO.
Service is not complete. OP number
Through CDPO, I have taken care of CDPO. My lord directed to take
service
notice.
has not been complete in favor of against OP number 5.
Five.
Let the fresh step be taken by the land council.
I have taken my lord, but I think my lord that has not been issued by the office. I think. On
through CDPO.
Through CDPO. On 28/11, I have filed.
Let's wait then another way.
I think my lord the notice has.
Notice complete.
No, ଯାଇ ନଥିବ ଯାଇଛି क्या ନା ଯାଇ ନଥିବ.
You give him a copy that will be passed through CDPO, served through CDPO. Padam. Okay, land council state.
And for OP number 6, man.
OP number 6.
Yes.
Land
We have
council the petitioner to sub a copy on the council for the state, which will be used for the serving the matter Paper book, two, no?
CDPO.
CDPO.
हाँ,
पूरी जगह, कोई जगह?
Kanas.
Konas.
Kanas, Puri.
Konas, Puri. District Puri.
Sir,
List matter. 26th January.
January 26th.
Oh, I'm so sorry, 25th January. Sorry. Next,
20.
25th.
20.
Item 45.
45. 45.
Nay, please, Lords.
Lordship, kindly see the read sort of menu.
Earlier that read petition was allowed in my favor. I am the petitioner. Then the opposite party number 5 moved the read appeal, and in the read appeal, the honorable division bench said that to reconsider the matter afresh on the specific ground that whether the petitioner is residing with the Anganwadi center area or not. That is the thing.
May I clarify, Your Lordship? Originally.
Who is continuing?
I'm continuing since
Opposite party number 5.
2012. madam.
Since?
2012.
Why then they should disturb
My
you?
lord, what
See,
has
it does not
happened?
belong to that area, my lord.
What has happened, my lord? Originally, the petitioner has challenged the appointment of OP
number 5.
on the ground that she is not belongs to that area.
Same thing happens, yes.
But on finding this honorable court that though the petitioner is the outsider of the service area, as he has secured more MAC, then the honorable court has directed to give engagement to the petitioner.
So,
Against-
who has
against-
secured, he has secured higher mark.
My lord, the petitioner.
Petitioner has
Petitioner.
Your- Your client.
Yes, your. She is a
Against,
graduate
against which,
See, it does not belong.
Roha or what?
my lord, against which the opposite party preferred the writ application. In the writ application, the honorable division bench has held that as per the guideline, the candidate should be from the service area.
Yes.
They cannot be considered from outside the service area.
Correct.
Then the petitioner has to submit that I am also from the same service area. In that circumstances, the division bench has written back the case to the single bench by stating that whether the petitioner is coming under the service area or not, only to find it.
So finally, what is your finding?
Well, ours he is not from the same service area.
I have given the
That
survey report.
Petitioner.
I have given the survey report, my lord. In my counter affidavit filed by the opposite party number 5.
5 years.
5. Page 7.
Page 7. Yes.
ପରିବାର ସର୍ବେକ୍ଷଣ ସର୍ଭେ ସ୍ଥିତି ପତ୍ରିକା ଗ୍ରାମ କରଚୁଲି 1 ରୀତା ମଞ୍ଜରୀ ପ୍ରଧାନ present petitioner my lord belongs to Korchuli number 1 and notification for Korchuli number 4 Anganwadi center area my lord. She doesn't belong to that area and she has submitted a false manipulated document.
Okay. Later.
Your lordship kindly looks at page 26 of the read petition, my lord.
What is that, sir? Tell me.
My lord, that is also the survey report, my lord.
That
There
is
it is
third
showing
one
that
my lord.
Korachuli 4.
I am
that is
otherwise
single-
also, if
Well-
she has started working from 2012, now still continuing, I should be unnecessarily disturbed. Let her continue.
My lord, yes.
The petitioner, this
ground-
petition 6-2, challenged the order dated 14 August 2014 passed by the additional district magistrate Ganjam in Anganwadi appeal case number 4 of 2012 in rejecting the candidature of the present petitioner for the appointment as an Anganwadi worker in Karachuli, 4th Anganwadi Center. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is that though he has secured the highest mark,
And is a graduate.
I'm saying highest
Valid.
mark, okay. In the process of selection conducted by the selection committee pursuant to the office order number 400 dated 19/4/2012 published by the Child Development Project Officer Buguda, Ganjam. Full stop. The action of the opposite party in rejecting the candidature of the petitioner amounts to restraining the present petitioner her right to get employment. However, learned counsel for the opposite party number 5 submit that the petitioner, the opposite party number 5 was found to be selected on the basis of the you are the second has
Second head and belongs to that Anganwadi center area.
the petitioner was the second in the selection in securing the mark, and she belongs to the Anganwadi service area. Hello. And further, C has been continuing for the last how many years?
9/4/2012.
From 9/4/2012.
11 years.
Till date.
11 years.
Huh?
11 years.
11 for about 11 years. Hence, it is. See further submit that the petition opposite party number 5 is the petitioner has petitioner doesn't belong to the service area, hence the ADM rejected. ADM rejected his
ADM rejected on that ground.
Why is that order?
Page 38, my lord. Page 38 of the writ petition.
See further submit that her application before her appeal before being appealed, MC appeal number 4 of 2012 has been rejected by the learned Court of Additional District Magistrate Ganjam, stating that the petitioner doesn't belong to the service area. In such view of the matter, the order passed by the ADM Ganjam, ADM District Ganjam, doesn't suffer from any infirmity. Accordingly, the writ petition is dismissed. Further, since the opposite party number 5 has already served for the Anganwadi center for such a long time, it cannot be disturbed on frivolous ground. Dismissed. Dismissed. Next.
Your Lordship, may I pray one thing, my lord? Your Lordship may kindly indicate if there is any vacancy, keeping in view of our higher education, that may kindly be considered, and any other, not disturbing that.
No. It is only with respect to one sector. I should
continuing since 2000. That is undisputed.
You can apply if any post is advertised. You can always.
Then you also kindly indicate that this order will not be a bar that.
Why should it be a bar, sir? Tell me. Why should it?
It is only meant for that.
It's meant for this selection process only. It can't bar. What is the age of your client?
Now it's in 2014 she was 34 years. So
34. Now she must have even crossed the age bar.
That is the problem.
That can't be. You have so many better things in the village area. Join SSG, do something better thing. So this is not the only thing. So many SSGs are there. Because she can be a very active member of SSG. So why are you going after this 5,000-6,000 rupees?
Just one more request, my lord. Instead of dismissing, dispose of, if you also kindly mention.
How can I? Dismissal, of course. Dismissal. Next.
Item 47.
47.
May I just mention?
Yes.
41, because 45 the state council changes.
Okay.
Just the date, if it could be 25th, my lord.
25th, no problem.
I'm deeply. I'm so sorry to.
25th.
Deeply.
Next.
May I please alert, sir? Last occasion, my lord directed to State Council to file a reply.
Reply. Have you filed the reply?
No, my lord.
The file?
No, my lord. Not
Land Council of the State 6. 2 weeks time to file the reply. List the matter on 29th January. 29th January. Next.
48.
48. 48.
Yes. May I please, let's. Petitioner is an Anganwadi worker.
48. Basically, paraphrase comment, my lord, I will file counter. 48.
ठीक है. Land Council State 6 1 week time to file the parawage comment. List the matter on 22, 22nd, huh? The next January, 22nd January. Next.
49.
49. 49.
Good afternoon, sir. May I please your lordship, on behalf of my senior advocate, Mr. Bimbisar Das, I pray for 2 weeks time.
Why? We should argue. You have read the file?
You
have read the file?
A bit, sir.
Huh?
A bit.
What? A bit? Either you have read or you have not read. A bit.
Yeah. No, no, I have read.
Read it, then start.
Sir, actually, we have to file a rejoinder. So.
What
we
is the
need-
issue? What is the issue? Can you tell me in brief,
Yeah, our client.
in short?
Yeah, our client is from one village that is Sargadia from Bhadrak district. And the guideline that says that Sargadia Anganwadi center consists of only Sargadia ward. But the governing body who were selecting the workers.
Not governing body.
Selection commission. They selected Itisri Sethi, who is our opposite party, number 5. But
Who was the higher score? What
uh,
is the higher score comparatively?
Itisri Sethi, she is not from Sargadia ward. She is from Bania village. There are 4 villages under Bania Gram Panchayat, but the guideline says Sargadia Anganwadi center consists of only Sargadia ward. But they can't select anyone from other village if there is no eligible candidates. But it says that there are 2 eligible candidates. And they are ignoring them, I guess, and they have selected. She has secured
She is not. She doesn't belong to that area.
Sargaria, belongs to the Sargaria service area, my lord. That is under ward number 9, which is under the service area, my lord, of Sargaria. There was a comprehensive report, inquiry report, and we have already annexed that report, my lord. He said the ward number 9. I have also specifically made averment, my lord. Ward number, the selected candidate belongs to ward number 9, which is under Sargaria service area, my lord.
You have approached the ADM. Appeal filed. We filed the appeal.
Yes, sir.
Where is that appeal order? Where is the appeal order, madam?
Sir, I don't know.
You have gone through the file now. You must have gone through first appeal.
Appeal nahi.
Appeal करना है, जान तो appeal करो.
To the ADM.
Huh?
ADM.
Yes. Again.
Since there is a appeal provision under section appeal provision. Which section that is? Appeal da? You have got that? The appeal provision is there. In that This is Anganwadi worker, na?
Anganwadi worker.
Yes, sir.
ADM. Bhadrak district?
Yes, sir.
Bhadrak district?
Bhadrak, madam.
ADM Bhadrak. And if the appeal is filed within 2 weeks from today, 2 weeks? 2 weeks from today, the appellate authority shall dispose of the appeal within 3 months thereafter. Within 3 months thereafter. Hello? Go and file.
Thank you.
What is your name?
Soumya Patnaik.
Her name. She argued.
Yeah.
Your name is there in the list?
No.
Okay. On behalf of?
Mr. Bimbisar Das.
Okay, on behalf of Mr. Bimbisar. Okay. Here, next.
My appearance be noted. I am appearing to OP5, my lord.
OP5.
My lord.
What is your name?
Hemant Kumar Ratsing.
Is there?
Yes, madam.
Next.
Item 50.
May I please, your
50.
lordship? Matter relating to Victim Compensation Act, my lord.
Victim compensation.
My lord.
What happened?
Victim was raped. After that, police had submitted the final form. And under the Victim Compensation Act, compensation
How
scheme,
much amount of compensation?
my lord, 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs.
My lord.
When was this happening? When did it happen?
My lord.
After the copy, we have not received the copy.
In 2018, the victim was raped. And we have applied,
2018?
my lord. In
Then
two-
immediately you got 2 lakhs. Regarding the issue raised in the present petition. So list the matter. 24th.
My lord.
Next.
51.
51.
Miller.
Regional devo. 51? Yes. Please.
51 is one regional.
Regional, okay, land cost with this.
Please give 1 week time.
2 weeks time to file the regional list, the matter on 10th.
Oh, yes.
10th. Next,
Item 54.
54. 54.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of Acharya Haryar Postgraduate Institute of Cancer.
Yes.
We have filed our counter affidavit, but by mistake, we are opposite party number 6. But by mistake in the counter affidavit, it has been mentioned opposite party number 7. So I have filed a memo for the necessary.
You have to rectify. Okay. So, who are the other opposite party?
So I am the petitioner.
Yeah, for the petition. Other opposite party who have to file? You have to file? Have you filed?
Well, we will file counter affidavit.
Lord Counsel, the state is directed to file the counter affidavit within 2 weeks from today. This the matter on 11.
Okay.
You want to file a regional if any? And the Lord Counsel, petitioner to file regional if any within 1 week thereafter to cap. I'll list the matter and then 24th Rastal. File a regional, whatever you want, let's finish it on 24th next. 24th January. Next.
Item 55.
55. 55.
I am for the opposite party informant.
Who is for the
Lordship on the last occasion, prior to that also directed to file the, solve the copy of the bail application.
bail? It is bail matter?
Yes.
Okay.
SCST special.
Okay. Who is for the petition?
55.
Uh,
55 बोले ऐसे मेंशन करथिले अर्जन है बोले 18 एक टिके
Mention is
से बोले पेज मेंशन है बोले टाइम नेले बोले 18 एक नाम
जी जा मेंशन कर पड़ोसी ने जहां हमने कहा को ना दे ऑपोजिट पार्टी देखला अच्छी नहीं नो
no, madam.
But where is he? Nobody there. Junior is also not there. Anybody there? No. 3 तारीख लग रही. Third, non appears for the petition. This is the matter on 3rd. Next.
56.
56. 56. Non. Non appears for the petitioner. This is the matter on 11. 57.
Married in the meantime.
Who's there?
57.
57.
The divorce between the parties has been granted, my lord.
Okay.
On,
You have come for what then?
on 8/12.
8/12.
And 9 lakh and permanent alienation is granted, but they are not taking, she is not checking of the phone, my lord, as per my instruction. Like advert code
तांको दे दियो.
High Court रे.
तांको दे दियो.
हाँ,
She will pass it
जे
on.
सारे एरिया टा देबे नि एठी जोटा क्रिमिनल केस रे जोटा हेतला very fairly he is submitting that ethic is that part I know.
So
But here I have filed
court दे दियो तो से will take from court.
हम दे दिया गोटे I have obtained for certified copy. Also,
You file that the divorce that order. Along with that, whatever area amount is there, you deposit before the court.
My lord,
The
he
court
is
will-
supposed to pay 10,000 each month. I am his wife here.
केते मास area केते मास
Area 11 lakh होइची affidavit file करछु.
11 lakh.
Your lordship, the affidavit is there. And they are not honoring your lordship's order also.
after the divorce question is allowed.
But that area interim area that order was there. How can you just say divorce petition हेला वाला दे बनी?
That was part expert and challenging that I have held the.
अरे भाई से जहाँ भी करंतु आपण कोर्ट ऑर्डर देसी इंटरव्यू पे केंदी करबिनी. That is not the bar for आपण पास हेगला पास divorce order पास एरिया देबिनी.
अब फ्यूचर न ही पारे कोन ही पारे.
एटा फ्यूचर पता अलगा. जोटा पास्ट देबा कथा आपण देई नांती बोले एरिया जमा हिची.
No, that is because that order was passed the expertise challenging that I filed this criminal division petition. And this honorable.
That expertise the area was.
Yes. That order was on the challenge and my honorable justice S. Mishra granted me to pay 1 lakh rupees to the I have already given my lord.
1 lakh rupees, how can
And the rest part he is forgetting. 10,000 per
1
month.
lakh maybe at one time he might have
Rest 10,000 per month by modifying from January this year.
I am getting.
You know, he has not given your lordship. That is the affidavit I have given on last occasion. Let us be fair to the court at least. That is the affidavit.
Where is that?
affidavits are filed.
That till now, 2023, it is.
Sir,
70
one thing, please
Yes.
tell me. How many the monthly this amount has not been paid by you? For the last how many months you have not paid?
It is up to 23, my lord, November 23, 76,000. As per their affidavit.
Calculation.
70 ଆଉ ବାକି 9 ଲକ୍ଷ 10 ଲକ୍ଷ entire thing is here.
No, 10,000 per month.
10,000 quote by way of interim said okay till the matter is disposed of and
That
decided
interim starts from that institution of the case now.
from 14/9/2018 till 14/12/2022 10
What
lakhs
is your
40,000.
profession?
Let me go through my.
What is your profession?
10 lakhs 40.
ଆପଣ କଣ କରନ୍ତି?
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ୟାରେଜ କରିଛି ସେଥିରେ ମୋ
Contractor sir, contractor.
ନାଇଁ ଭୁଲ ପୁରା ଟୋଟାଲି ରଙ୍ଗ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ମାରିଲା ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ନିଜେ ସେ ଲୋକକୁ ଦେଖିଛି
ମୁଁ ତା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ରହିଛି sir. I have been staying and I am mother
So who is
child.
do one thing, first you pay 5 lakh then before the next date.
ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେଇଯାଏ କାରଣ ସେ ଲୋକଟା ଆସୁ କଣ କେମିତି କଣ ତଳ କୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଥିଲା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ରହିଛି
Last date ରେ sir instruction ଦେଲେ 5 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ.
Client ବିନା instruction ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି।
ସିନିୟର ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ଗୋପାଳ ମାନ୍ତି କରୁଥିଲେ
ଯିଏ କରୁଥାନ୍ତୁ
ଦେଖିଦିଏ ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଯିଏ ବି କରନ୍ତୁ ସେଥିରେ କଣ ଅଛି ଆପଣ କେସ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ ଆପଣ ଧରିକି ସବୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଆଣିବେ ନା ଆଉ ସିଏ ସିନିୟର କଲେ କି ଜୁନିୟର କଲେ ସେଥିରେ କଣ ମିଳିବ ମତେ? I'm not going to do all these things.
Mediation को पठेले he did not attend there also.
Sir,
3rd January.
Your lordship may say that let him take instruction.
Yeah, let me take instruction.
all right, ma'am.
58.
Yes, ma'am. Lordship, your lordship was pleased to issue notice here in the main case, and subsequently on 12/9/2023, the matter has been admitted, LCR has been called for. And then there was some dissension and they separated. My son is dead. Now, the DB case was filed, my lords.
Son is
Against,
dead?
yes.
Why? How? Accident.
He died, my lords, out of natural causes. And now the DB case was instituted against the parents-in-law. In the meanwhile, my wife has also died. I am a retired pensioner. An order for monetary relief has been passed against me, which has been challenged in this revision. And your lordship has stayed that also. Now, because this execution case has been filed, I have come up with a fresh IA. What I pray is your lordship may stay this, since the LCR is there, on reopening any date, it can be taken up and filed.
1,44,000 ରୁ ମାତ୍ର 24,000 ହଜୁର ଦେଇଛ
ଆପଣ କଣ କିଛି କରନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ
You are not doing anything.
cross of the case is the ancestral properties enjoying by Millard father-in-law did not giving a single pie to the destitute lady Millard. That is why monetary relief has been given to him.
Key property.
In the meantime, she has filed the Millard suit, civil suit, and civil suit has been declared in her favor, Millard. But that thereafter
Civil suit for what?
for partition of property, Millard. Ancestral property.
Property partition.
Execute it.
So why don't you
Execute that decree.
Yeah, that's right.
He has filed the appeal challenging the. How can I execute Millard?
appeal file execute କରିବା ମନା ଥୋଡ଼ି ଅଛି? appeal file କଲେ execute କରିବା ମନା ଥୋଡ଼ି ଅଛି?
appeal ଟା କରିଦେଲେନି ତା against ରେ
Appeal ଟା ଶୁଣାଣି କରିଦଉ।
ଏଇଟା ଶୁଣାଣି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସରିଗଲେ କି ସରି
ଏଇଟା କରିଦଉ।
ଏଇଟା ବି merit ରେ ଶୁଣାଣି ସରିଛି
ଏଇଟା କରିଦଉ।
third ରେ ଚାଲୁ। third ରେ କର।
50% ଦେଇକି ଆଜ୍ଞା state
ହଉ third ରେ ଆସୁ।
fourth ରେ ଆସୁ।
36,000
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଏଇଟାରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା 36,000 ମାତ୍ର
So fourth ରେ ଆସୁ ଦେଖ ଏତେ you will not be poorer within that 10-15 days.
15,000 ଦେଇକି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
ଠିକ ଅଛି sir ଆସନ୍ତୁ fourth ଦେଖିବା।
ଡେଟ୍ ରେ ଠିକ
That I have fixed.
4th January.
4th January. Okay.
An urgent copy.
Nice.
Item 59.
59. Well, that's here is a question of a minor child.
Hey, interview କଣ ଥିଲା? What did you do?
CRPC petition has been rejected by the SDM judgment. Here, Miller, the question of law, Miller, the 97 CRPC read with 340 of the IPC laws.
Lordship may see kindly see, my lord, the page 21st, my lord, order passed by the SDM. Though it was admitted, I am the biological mother, but child was handed over to someone else. He was nothing.
Who
Was he is only for relative, my lords. The assume to relation, my lords. When the story is, my lord, during COVID time, I was, my lord, in Banarasi, went to Banarasi, my lord, some parental issue, my lord, the health issues. I left the child to some of the person, my lord, to take care, because the COVID-19, there is a restriction, COVID and, my lord, the restriction.
You are for the
Mother, biological mother.
Okay, biological
My
mother.
lord, after that,
And he's for the husband.
no, my lords. He is, my lord, the opposite party.
I'm for
He
the
is wrongfully confined the child. Wrongfully confined the child.
Adopted father of the minor child, my lord.
Adopted father केमती ହେଲା आपण मां बंची adopted father
No, my lord. There is a dispute between the husband and wife.
sir husband adopted कोड आइला
They orally
hindi adopt ही जाए
they orally adopted, but
hindi orally adopt ही जिवो
the minor daughter is with you.
sir adoption पे ଗୋଟେ formula ଥାଏ
My lord.
sir आपण adoption
My lord,
ସେମିତି orally adopt କରିଦେଲେ ହେଇଗଲା
no, Lord,
nobody
no, it is your hand of the custody of the child to this the property of 3 million with the
ଆପଣ ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ child ଏବେ ଅଛି
ନାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି
ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି।
hand over
permitted
to play what is the age of the child
well the 10 years
no, my lord.
boy na
He's reading in the 7th.
अरे आधार कार्ड
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ
आधार कार्ड 13 ଅଛି କହିବେ
ଝିଅ ନା ପୁଅ
ଝିଅ
ଝିଅଟା ମଦର ପାଖରେ ଝିଅ ରହିବ ହେଲା
My lord, he is on basis of
ମଦର ପାଖରେ ଝିଅ ରହିବ
no, he is not interested to go with him. His biological mother, my lord.
କାହିଁକି
4-3
My lord, he is
stranger my lord
no, my lord.
ଟିକେ
Let me
ଆପଣ
complete.
କାହା ପାଇଁ
I am the husband of the petitioner and father of the minor child.
okay
here is not party in the
No.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ,
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ
let me allow to submit below.
ଆପଣ father
Yes,
ତ ଆପଣ divorce
he is the petitioner.
ଆରେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଚୁପଚାପ ବସନ୍ତୁ
Give me my company since long after the birth of the.
married at
no my lord
Yes.
false statement I'm more particularly my lord he has not filed any my lord the intervention application also not party in the
I
proceeding
have been
Then
noticed.
why
my
he
lord,
has been
OP2,
appealed
I
before
am
the court and
OP2,
what is the
I am
lord's my lord?
noticed.
party ଅଛି ଆପଣ party
no
କରିଛନ୍ତି?
no what is the locus
No, you have made
No.
party
no my lords
Have a glance to
no my lords
because title.
କୋଉଠି
OP number 2, Sabana Banu, the minor child.
କୋଉଠି
OP number 2 through father guardian, Sheikh Taslim, daughter of Sheikh Taslim. And you lordship have a glance to the cause title of the petitioner, Sakina Banu, wife of Sheikh Taslim. And he has said that I am not the husband.
my lords the care of Abdul Majid is the custodian my lord
anyway
He is OP number 3.
and
Custodian is
yes sir
My lord, because of the fact that the mother has left my company, he
I'm not
remarried again.
asking that sir
That is why
I am asking simple questions not very it's not a rocket science which you can't answer when you are the father why didn't you keep your child with you and instead some stranger is keeping the child
he is not the stranger. The minor
Who is
child
he?
with him.
who is he
He is the adopted father.
how can where is the adoption deed show me the adoption deed
No, my lord.
କୋଉଠି adoption ହେଇଛି
There is no deed of adoption.
ବିନା adoption ହେଇଗଲା
Because of the fact that the mother wants to
ବିଲକୁଲ
alienate
natural
the
mother ପାଖକୁ ଯିବ nothing
mother
doing.
want to sell the girl.
To sell the girl and will do
do
the
one,
same.
do one thing do one thing it is from which district
My lord,
Jajpur.
କୋଉ district Jajpur
Jajpur.
କାଲି ନେଇକି 1:30 ଆସନ୍ତୁ I'll get the child and mother both okay I'll come to my chamber so let the
after
child-
action, my lord.
no nothing doing କାଲି ଆଣନ୍ତୁ
Kali again.
କାଲି ତ ଆଇବ ଯାଜପୁର କେତେ ଦୂର କି ଛୁଆ ଆପଣ ନେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ କଥା ହେବି ଇଣ୍ଟରାକ୍ଟ କରିବି
ଯାଜପୁର ସାଲେପୁରରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି
ଯୋଉଠି ବି ଥାନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉଠି ବି ଥାନ୍ତୁ ପାଖ
କଟକର
ସାଲେପୁର ବି ପାଖ ଯାଜପୁର ବି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
let the mother and the child and the father also
Yes.
okay be present before this court in the chamber for a reconciliation meeting hello let's see them
child he was the main opposite party Milans
କିଏ
ଯେ କଷ୍ଟୋଡିରେ child କୁ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି
child କୁ ନେଇକି ଆସିବାର କହୁଛି
yes
child he should
yes
you get the child
Yes.
okay the custodian of the child is directed to bring the child to the court without fee ହେଲା
My lord, say, do.
ଆଣନ୍ତୁ
My lord.
we'll see
grateful
Time in.
କାଲି 1:30 ପରା
30 chamber
1:30 chamber ରେ Next,
60.
60. 60.
May I please, your lordship? I am for the Learned Counsel, Mr. Lingaras Sorangi, lordship. 6 adjournment, lordship. This matter.
For a mediation regarding road that is not allowing her to use.
Right. Report.
Report aschi, mediation report.
Let's see. What report the coach? Findings? What findings, sir?
Sir, let me place it briefly. For that, in order to appreciate that, your lordship has to look at page 18 of the writ petition, of the revision petition.
Let me go through the report, sir. I
Okay.
have to go through this. This is time taking. Let it fix another day. Hard रखिए. Report देखें. ये बढ़िया पड़ेगा. इतने लंबा चौड़ा report इतने साइंस के पड़ेगा.
ताला हमको उठो कॉपी टे.
ये भी कॉपी. एक कॉपी का रिपोर्ट दे दिया. हमारे कॉपी नहीं जानते. फोटो. Let him go through. So that
third class.
Third class. Best. पर डिटेल पढ़िया बढ़िया थे लंबा रिपोर्ट पढ़ला समय नहीं. Next.
Item 61.
61. कॉपी दे दो तंग.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. On the last date, Your Lordship instructed the Learned State Council to get instruction whether the vehicle is still in the police station or.
Police station. Yes.
My lord.
Then.
That is the instruction that this council took time to get.
Now what do you want?
This is an application against the rejection of a 457 application regarding the seizure of my vehicle.
Okay.
I am the owner of that vehicle, my lord.
Okay. You pay, what is the vehicle?
Bolero. The vehicle is a Bolero vehicle.
Pay 5 lakh rupees. And 5 lakh rupees देगी नहीं जानते.
Pick up that, my lord.
5 lakh rupees. अरे फिर 5 लाख रुपए दे दिया तो बॉन्ड आप जानते.
My lord.
बॉन्ड हो कि डिपॉजिट फिक्स्ड एफडी कर दे दो बेस्ट. एफडीआर हो बॉन्ड देवे ना कि बैंक गारंटी वो तो.
The lordship is talking about an indemnity bond of 5 lakhs. Indemnity bond. Grateful.
As and when it is required, you have to produce that. Okay. Okay. After that.
Grateful.
Another one. After.
Rural housing for personal.
13, on 3.
3030.
Where is it?
I beg your pardon, sir. The video is not, they have not allowed the video, sir. Sir, I am MD ORHDC, Devasis Singh. But
Is it there?
Video on कर. Audio से video on कर. Video on कर.
Yes, Mr. Singh. Actually, I have directed for your personal presence. So a lot of loan account has been because of maybe some your OHRDC is in initial stage it had granted loan to different people and later somehow or other could not have been paid. Why don't you have a some OTS scheme specially meant for those people who have not been able to pay? They want to pay and get rid of the loan burden. So why don't you just float some scheme so that this thing can be taken care of?
Sir, regarding this, I will make two
Your voice is not coming, Miss.
Uh,
Please don't talk inside, sir. What is this?
Sir,
You want to talk, go outside.
Sir,
Yes,
am I audible, sir?
yes, yes,
Yes. Sir, I have to make two submissions, sir.
yes.
First thing is that actually government allowed ORHDC to have OTS in the year 2005, sir. On 15th March
Sir,
2005.
see, whatever happened in the past, forget it. Now I'm asking in the present situation. In the present situation, whatever amount, you just try to float a scheme, and so that everybody will apply and they'll get rid of the whole thing.
Government is not, our organization is wholly owned by government, sir. Neither
Sir,
the
all
MD
these things fine, sir. I am aware of all these things. Simply you talk to the respective, the concerned authority, talk to him or them, whatever, and just float some scheme and just finish it. Why unnecessary? These people are also every day they have a loan burden and they are carrying the burden.
Actually, Chairman ORHDC has also moved to government for consideration of reconsideration of
Sir,
the
moving consideration एमती करी वर्ष बीतीଯିବ କିଛି ଲାଭ ହେବନି ଫଟାଫଟ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ କରନ୍ତୁ ମାସେ 2 ମାସ ଭିତରେ ଖତମ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ unnecessary ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ମୁଭ କରିଛି ସେ ମୁଭ କରିଛି ସେଠି ପଡିଛି ଏମିତି ଲମ୍ବେଇଲା କିଛି ଲାଭ ନାହିଁ
ସାର୍ ଏଥିରେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ରହୁଛି ଗୋଟେ କଣ କି
ସାର୍ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ସବୁ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଜାଣିଛି ସେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଭିତରେ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ ବାହାର କରନ୍ତୁ ସବୁ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କରି ଅଫିସର ମାନଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକୃତି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ କାହିଁ ବାହାରିବନି
Sir, other department रे similar type of loan जोड़ा अच्छी, they will cite ORHDC case कि तांकर भी जदि एते थर हेई पारुची, so why our case will not
ये
be
तो मैं कहूँ
considered?
जी solution बाहर करंतु problem छाड़ंतु ना
Sir, एटा far reaching consequences
नहीं नहीं far reaching सब भाभी कर करंतु
Sir,
don't just buckle it under your bureaucratic pressure
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏ ଯୋଉ order ଟା sir ହେଲା sir ଏ ଯୋଉ petitioner ଯୋଉ କଲେ ସେଥିରେ ଆଗ ORHDC କୁ sir କରି ନଥିଲେ ପାର୍ଟି
ए छाड़ंतु कागो पार्टी बनेले ना बोले मुझे कड़ा जानतु नु technicality simply I am asking you one thing please do consult with the concerned authorities or stakeholders who are there what best can be done and things can be finished that's the only thing I am telling
sir we will do that but
so
sir
that will solve the problem you will also get some money and they will also get rid of the loan unnecessarily why should they carry the burden throughout their life now see, year by year things are increasing without they have taken some small amount now it has become very giant
sir ei organization no BPO puri under 132 जन लोन नेतले sir 111 जन क्लियर कर देले ये 21 जन sir they are
सेति पई से 21 जन अछन किछि गुटे करी खत्म करंतु केते नेले आपन ठीक सुटेबल हबो से गुटे करी कि स्कीम डे बाहर खत्म करंतु
sir but it depends upon sir the decision policy of the
sir decision सब डिस्कस करी के तम कहूची
sir
I am not judging I am not judging this issue
so
I am trying to just find a solution to the problem
Honorable Court may observe this, sir.
I am not observing anything. I am just giving it to, just leaving it to you. You take steps, and that depends on your what we call the managerial skill.
Right.
Hope it is you possess a very good skill.
Right. Sir,
okay,
right.
so your skill will definitely prove to be very beneficial to the your organization as well as to these people.
Certainly, we will try.
Sir. So you take a section, I'm giving you some time, 15-20 days time you take, discuss with the stakeholder and just whatever possible to do it. Come with at least a proposal, we'll see that. You come with a proposal, then we can just give it to the court and we'll see that if that can be acceptable to them or not, we'll see.
Oh, we will do that.
Okay. Okay, Land Council Pada, the additional secretary and MD ORHDC was personally present and he shall explore the possibilities of the settlement of the loan amount taken by the petition, the sanction to these petitioners and he shall consult with the relevant stakeholders and try to come out with a decent proposal for the loanees within 20 days. Sir, 20 days will be okay? Or you want more time?
Sir, actually 1 month time, sir.
Okay, 1 month. 1 month I'm going to take 1 month. So list the matter on 25th January. Will that be okay?
25th January, okay.
Yes. 2 p.m. 25th January, 2 p.m.
Okay.
I'm sure, sir, problem there. When there is a problem, there will also be a solution. I'm sure you'll find out a solution. I have full faith in you. You'll get a solution, good solution.
So kind of.
Next one.
My lord, interim orders may kindly continue.
Personal presence of the MD ORSDC is dispensed with. ठीक है जी, देखिए.
My lord.
Sir will do something. Hopefully things will be acceptable to you also.
The
आगे पछा हेले आपण आउ बेसी ये करिवेनी हला एक्सेप्ट करने जीवे. हां सर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हे गेले भलो. आ आपण एति मु देबी आडो अधिक देबी एंदी मार्केट बार्गेनिंग मार्केट करिवेनी कहू. बार्गेनिंग मार्केट मु ऑर्डर पास कर देबी आपण बाध्य देबे ता पर. हां बार्गेनिंग मार्केट करिवेनी हला. तांको गवर्नमेंट इट इज ए पब्लिक मनी. They will also look into the interest of the public, right? So say हिसाब रे हम गोटे भाया मिडिया गोटे मिडिल पाथ बाहर करी you can solve the problem. हला. Okay.
My lord, item 28, the interim order may continue.
Okay, interim order continue.
Obliged.
Is it 28?
My lord, 28.
Okay, 28.
Issue same.
Nice, ठीक है.
On the
Next.
25th, my lord. 28. It is also 25th. Same matter.
कितने?
28.
हाँ 28 कहले बना. हाँ. हाँ कौन है तेरा? What is the issue?
Notice WPC 41759 of 2023.
May I please, my lord? My lord, herein what has happened, my lord, in the month of August 2023, 30 posts for Anganwadi worker was published by the respondent, my lords.
Which district?
For Mayurbhanj district, my lord. Mayurbhanj district. Therein what happened, my lords? One post is Kola Dam village was fixed. And accordingly, my lords, 4 applicant has applied for that post, my lords. And one of the applicant was the petitioner, my lords. Therein, my lords, it was a specific instruction that on 2nd of September 2023, all the applicant must come for verification of certificate. My lords, in order to for recruitment of health worker of Anganwadi worker, there is 3 documents has to be verified. One is +2 certificate, whether she has passed or not. Secondly, my lords, her resident certificate within the locality. Thirdly, my lords, her caste certificate, my lords. These are the 3 certificates has to be verified. On the verification day, my lords, 2 applicants did not appear. That automatically make them disqualified. Another applicant could not produce the +2 certificate, my lords.
Out of 4.
Yes, my lords, out of 4.
Out of 4, 2 did not appear.
Did not appear. One could not produce +2 certificate. Okay. I have provided all the documents and all are verified, and there was no objection whatsoever by the authority. And in remarks column also, it was clear, my lords, and they have verified. All of a sudden, what has happened, my lords? Subsequently, they have cancelled the entire appointment process for Koladam village.
So there is a case law. You have heard that case law.
Pardon?
When there is only one candidate, they have to cancel and re-advertise. That's why they have done it. If suppose there is only one candidate for a post.
Yes, my lords.
So, rightly, wrongly, in your case, 4 candidates are there, 2 didn't appear, 1 was disqualified. So, your only one is the free.
No, my lords.
So, there is no competition.
No, my lords.
Therefore, they might have.
What happened, my lords, herein also, in that on the very 2nd of September, when they have verified, they have also given a condition that the person who could not appear, provide their +2 certificate, then also they have given time for that. If there is any objection or if she could produce, they have also given time for that, my lords. But thereafter, my lords, without assigning any reason, my lords, they have cancelled. That is
what I see. No, they did not assign any reason because only one candidate left in the fray. That's why they have done it. Why don't you apply it? Apply it. You have applied in the second.
Now, my lords, today is the last date, my lord.
You should tell your client to apply. Apply कर देगी तब तो
That is the thing, my lord.
There is a law, case law. Mr. Mahapatra, there is a case law, no?
I will provide.
Where it says that if there is only one candidate, there is no competition actually, no? So there is no competition for any reason. In that case, there should be a fresh advertisement. That's the rule.
She could have applied for the second time. She
You
could have
apply
applied
for
and
it,
approved
then
before, but
case
she
करता
she didn't apply now.
You have applied or not? Your candidate.
No, my lord, till date I have not applied. As I,
Tell your candidate, go and immediately apply.
pardon me,
Phone करके कहो से आसी apply करो जल्दी.
but today is the last day, my lords.
Okay, anyway, I'm doing one thing. I'm granting him 5 days time to apply. है ना?
That is,
Okay?
okay, ma'am.
Okay, since the present writ petitioner has filed the writ petition against the arbitrary and illegal notification of 850 only dated 6/12/2023 of the Office of Child Development Project Office of Puliana, ICDS, Chandua, and against the inaction of opposite parties for not taking any action against notification number 562. Dated 2. Don't write DTD. This is I don't like this DTD style बंद करो. Young council issues पूरा DATED लिखिए. DTD कौन?
No, madam.
यार सिर्फ वर्षा लगना तो DTD लिखती है.
No.
वर्षा तो नहीं.
No.
Smart. So should write DTD. No, DATED. ଆଉ ବାର ବାର ଇନଏକ୍ସନ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ଗୋଟେ ଘୁଷିଛନ୍ତି ଖାଲି ସଜା କଲେ ଇନଏକ୍ସନ ଅଫ ଦ ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟି ଇଲିଗାଲ ଆକ୍ସନ ଇନଏକ୍ସନ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ଟିକେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରି ଭଲ କରି ଲେଖ ଏଟା କଣ ଇନଏକ୍ସନ 30 ଥର ଇନଏକ୍ସନ ଲେଖୁଛ ଗୋଟେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ in spite of the representation dated 16/10/2023 the petitioner was selected after due process of law after following the due procedure video notification number 562 of dated 2/9/2023. However, the opposite party number 4 has not selected the petitioner in spite of our representation. However, instead, the petitioner has cancelled the earlier advertisement and noted a new advertisement wherein the last date has been fixed on 21st
December
December 2023. The grievance of the petitioner that since the petitioner has been selected because of the absence of 2 candidates and deficiency found in the candidature of 2 candidates.
And another candidate also appeared, my lord. Another candidate also appeared, but she could not produce one document.
Because of non-production of the relevant document. So accordingly, the petitioner was only one candidate who was in the fray. Who was in the fray. Okay. Land Council of the State submitted since the petitioner had been petitioner was the only candidate in the fray, there was virtually there was no competition. Hence, to encourage more competition for the said post, the earlier advertisement was cancelled. Also, since the petitioner has not applied in the second, what is the advertisement number?
Advertisement number 850.
850 of
dated 6/12/2023.
6/12/2023. And today is the last date for submission of form. The petitioner is granted 5 days more time. 5 days, 5 more working days actually. 5 more working days to apply for the said post. 5 more working days from today. From tomorrow.
My lord,
and why don't you do one thing? Government छुट्टी कब है? 22, 23, 24, 25.
25 तारीख को ଅଛି।
25 ରୁ ଛୁଟି ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ନା 26, 27 ଖୋଲା sure
ଆଜ୍ଞା
so,
25 ତାରିଖ।
okay granted time till 30th till 30th of December to apply ना working day छाड़ दे granted time till 30th December.
And my lords, tomorrow they have also called for the applicant to come and verify the document. The
Okay,
same will be done after.
And the petitioner shall also be called for verification of the document during this period. Urgent certified copy. ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଦେବେ ଟିକେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଯଦି ସେମାନେ ସେ ଯଦି ଆଜି ସେମାନେ ଇଏ କରିଦେବେ କାଲି ଆଜି କାଲି ଭିତରେ ଯଦି ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଦେବେ they should consider ହେଲା ମୁଁ ତ ଦେଇଦେଇଛି 30 ତାରିଖ ଭିତରେ ଯେବେ କରୁଛି କରିବ
And during that period, minutes, no appointment be made.
no how can they okay like it in the meantime till the no appointment shall be made before 30th December.
Publishment.
Next.
WPC 41963 of 2023.
My lords, in an execution proceeding, that is the last document in the writ petition.
What's the order?
My lords,
That order.
My lords, page 28.
Page 28.
8 annexure 7. This is an order dated 10th November 2023.
10 November asle
My lords, I'll tell you. They were not expecting that the NBW has kept that in abeyance.
Okay.
My lords, I'll take you to para 3, the third paragraph. Heard the learned counsel for both the parties, peruse documents and petition available record. The petitioner, that is the decree holder, files one calculation sheet stating that the details of account with rate of interest, but the OP, that is the bank,
judgment letter,
though filed some calculation but has not described in details, to which commissioner failed to understand the same. My lords, whatever was the decretal amount we have paid along with cost. Thereafter, on the last date of execution, when we thought they'll drop the charges, he files an extra petition showing a particular calculation sheet, which is contrary to what the bank has given, because bank has given as per its master circular.
No.
And what this commission does is, then he says that, which the commission fails to understand. Our calculation, they fail to understand. Taking into gravity, the commission thinks it is just and proper to pay rupees 72,914. This amount came for the first time on that day through a calculation given by the person who had approached the commission. Within a period of 30 days from the date and further that the order dated so into 17 or 18/3/23, which is the NBW against the chief manager and the general manager of SBI, shall be kept in abeyance till the date of payment. Put it up on 11/12. And the next date is, my lords, tomorrow. And in the meantime, the IIC is coming to the bank every day. My lords, all I need is a
11/12 is the next date.
11/12, and then next date is 22, my lords, and the courts are going in for a vacation.
Okay.
Even if I want to go up in appeal, I don't have the time. How in an execution proceedings he can come out with a different figure, my lords? I am a nationalized bank. I have paid the interest, and that was the only requirement, that you pay the surplus money left after adjusting the loan and give the rate of interest. We have calculated as per our master circular. Even if I say the bank is in error, can he do that in an execution proceedings? He can say go for a modification or go up in appeal. Well, this kind of high-handedness, and my chief manager is actually, he's so scared that I had to make this special mention because the IIC is coming every day. So,
Okay.
a
So,
stay of this order.
what do you want?
My lords, stay and protect me so that we can take whatever steps.
So this will stayed, this execution application?
Yes, my lord, this 10/11/20, this order dated 10/11/23. And my lord, the
Considering the not consider the petitioner bank. Applicant, you're applicant or petitioner?
no, it's a petition, my lord. Great petition.
Okay, your petition, bank submits that. Since, sorry, mentioned in the opening hour of the court, and the matter was taken about 2 p.m. on urgent basis. Considering the threat perceptions emanating from an execution application number 7 of 2019, arising out of CC case number 59 of 2017.
Well, the NBW is at annexure 5.
Page?
19, 19.
Okay.
It has been carrying on since March.
Right?
Well, it's 18th March. 23rd.
No, and the page is 18.
19, annexure
19.
5, 19.
Okay. So, without going into the merit of the case, the NBW issued against the manager of
Chief Manager, Jajpur.
Chief Manager, State Bank of India, Jajpur
Jajpur Town.
Town Branch at Kota Basantpur, District Jajpur, which is warranting issuance of NBW. Wherein NBW was issued to the petitioner by the President District Consumer Redressal Forum, District
Commission.
CDR Commission,
District Redressal Commission, Jajpur.
Dispute Redressal Commission, Jajpur,
My lord,
CDR
exhibit
Jaj,
application number
in execution application number
07 of 19
07 of 2019,
arising out of.
censor, it stayed. Hala. Till the next.
My lord, may give an urgent certificate.
Urgent certificate. Ebbe Aji. Hala.
My lord, I'm greatly obliged.
Till the next one,
My lords, after 6th, my lords, I'm not available till
11.
Yes.
11.
My lords, I'm obliged.
Okay. Next.
And may I take this opportunity to wish you a happy new year.
Same to you. Next.
Item 62.
May I please, your lords? My lord, I am praying for an adjournment, my lord. Let it be. We are filing a written note, my lord. The petitioner asked to the bank.
Written
to-
note.
Yes. The pleadings have been completed. Last occasion, my lord.
Are you going?
No, my lord. Petitioner asked the bank to produce that entire bank statement. There is very much more transactions to trace out, and
So they have not given you
no, not yet, my lord. Entire statement, my lord.
for the bank.
From
Which
the
for the bank? You're for the bank.
I'm for the bank.
Why don't you give me the statement?
No, but someone has to approve the bank, bank is.
You approach the bank, sir.
The petitioner is approaching.
Etikally single take a market price la hijiba mention kare bank ko jibe na au.
Yes, your lord.
Land ko kondu bank ko jiba.
I am for the number 2, that is department, postal department, where the petitioner is serving. So I am filed the counter.
Apun bank ko jai college ne sabu court ko aile court kon sabu.
No, my lord.
Apun court kon apun negri bank ko jibo. Apun nije bank ko jibe bank ko na hala court kon karibo. Sabu tere bank court. जहाँ ला तुम्हें कोर्ट पे देख लूंगा ये सब नहीं चलेगा कोर्ट पे देखोगे जब वहां पहले देखो राइट फर्स्ट कोर्ट क्लाइंट को कह जाओ बैंक को पोस्ट भी बाटा जोड़ी जगह से जाओ फिर नहला कोर्ट को आसी सीधा कोर्ट को आगे पड़े आसुंदी
They are taking the 5 lakh loan and they are also
सेया नहे प्रेशर बिल्ड करंती कोर्ट को पड़ेला मैटर कोर्ट रही से ने प्रेशर आसी ना दैट इज द टैक्टिक्स
So in last occasion, my lord, of that account.
There, next. So there is a date, there is January 17th January. Okay, next.
63. My lord, on the last occasion, I have filed power. Trace
Power, who power, sir?
Vinama.
Hydro energy, hydroelectricity na atomic na co power.
Vinama file.
How power ko minimum quote. Power word is to be banned here. Power kouchandi basically.
Se nada.
Wakalat nama ko state no power. Ha. Wakalat na word lakhai ja power kouchandi.
The name.
No power word is being here. For wakalat nama, power for wakalat nama. I would agree.
On the last occasion we have filed. Our name may be correctly reflected, man.
Okay, correctly reflected.
and I am appearing from open note to my applicant.
Name tag.
J Naik, CGC.
ठीक. Next.
Item 63.
63.
Item 63, my lord, permit to mention, my lord, today morning I have mentioned this matter to be taken up after vacation. I have already informed my.
Informed. So you don't have any problem?
No.
Okay, vacation पर लगा दिया. Net. अच्छा मुझे गुटे कथा कहला मैं खाली बस सिकरी एडजन कर थी बस सिकरी.
बोलो.
Too much.
Factory लगे बोलो.
This is tax पर money हम बर्बाद करूँ ना. आपण इधर टैक्स दूचंदी. आपण मेंशन करी खाली मेंशन करी मैं तो खाली एडजन कर चली आ कौन बस कौन करछन. बस खाली एडजन कर चली खाली. Are you not wasting the tax money? Then why are you not thinking of that also?
Today I am
Yeah.
not ready to.
Ready to? Are you?
Today no, I am not ready.
Why you are not ready, sir? Rao to he ready na. When will you become Rao? Ready na Rao he jantu. This. प्रत्येक दिन सब दिन खाली मेंशन करिए एडजन करिए सीधा एडजन करिए तो मैं मासू देवी है छाड़ी नहीं लिस्ट मैटर ऑन 9th April
No. Then
9th April रिक्वेस्ट करिए नहीं आपको ना
January.
oh 9 January yeah next
Item 64.
64
I am
Wait,
through.
please, Your Lordship.
I am for the opposite party.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. I'm for the appeal and revision of it list.
yes
While the petitioner has challenged his conviction under for commission of offense under section 138 of NI Act, and he has been
notice is हुई
my notice on the last occasion, Your Lordship had called for the LCR. My lord.
LCR 80 yes you are good
My lord, in this case, my lord, the complainant in his cross-examination has at paragraph 30 has
you have been convicted here
I have been convicted, man.
what is the sentence
I have been asked to pay 2,50,000. The
and one imprisonment for 1 month and pay
Mine.
okay why don't you pay it
My lord, I have not issued that check.
who has issued the pay
I have not issued that. That is the dispute is that
who has issued the pay
one Basant Vera.
you have the check you have annexed it
My lord, I have the check.
Yes, show me
That is at page number 46, my lord.
page number 46 I'm there only
My lordship may see the signature. That is my name, but that is not my signature, and match it with the signature in the petition as well as in the वकालत.
बैंक मैच कला ने बैंक अंदर ताको ये कला डिजनर कम बैंक कला सिग्नेचर मैचिंग होनी बोली
No, insufficient fund पे. यदि signature match करता हूँ ताल तो से NI Act केस ही पारना था ना.
it is not your signature
No, not in my.
so what is the trial court saying on this
Trial court, man, at paragraph 30, the complainant in his cross-examination said that it is not a fact that the said signature is Basant Vera was not in Exhibit 1.
was there any
On this point,
forensic examination of the signature
my lord, there is a fault on my part. I filed an application for appointing a handwriting expert. A order was passed in my favor, but I didn't avail that. I didn't avail that order, the benefit of that order.
चल कौन करेगा you have missed the bus
However, my lord, even if I didn't avail that order, that would not go.
You have missed the bus. What to do?
But that would not show that I in fact, I had signed the check.
On what basis it will be proved, sir?
On the basis of
Signature, unless there is a verification of signature, that's the only way to prove it.
On the cross-examination, my lord, the
cross-examination ମୁଁ କରିନି ଆପଣ କହିଦେଲେ ହେଇଗଲା କି?
By cross-examination, complainant ନିଜେ କହିଛି କି ବସନ୍ତ ବେହେରା ସେଟା ସେ it is not a fact that Basant Behera has not put his signature in Exhibit 1, my lord. One Basant Behera, he has filled the check and put my name.
Sir, Devendra Jena नारे बसंत बेहरा साइन करछि कोजु.
My lord. My lord.
से कोन handwriting रो master कि से fraud expert. बसंत बेहरा एटा देवेंद्र जना भी बढ़िया के लिखि दुछि सेंदिया.
My lord, at paragraph 27.
बहुत लोग से हुई करंती किंतु अपन handwriting expert आने के प्रूव करिया छिला ना. Read code केमती करियो सर revision code हेल्प केमती करियो एटा एक्चुअली
evidence अछि the cross examination see kuji the 27 the said check was written by Basant Behera. The said check was written by Basant Behera. It was signed by the accused. In the paragraph
complainant
Mr. Akshay Kumar Sahu, you are not audible properly.
Malad, para 27, may I read something, Malad? The said was written by Basanta Behera and was signed by the accused. That part was
signed by the accused केमती हैला?
And was signed by the accused. They have never
मते तो लागु सुनो तो मते तो लागु दीटा जणाकर सिग्नेचर जे देखिछि से तार सिग्नेचर माने
para 7 of the judgment your lordship may kindly see
see judge थोड़ा बहुत मेरा knowledge है थोड़ा बहुत handwriting I was just trying to learn something from reading some book see handwriting सबसे बड़ा important जिनिस है ना stroke को देखा जाए
Your
Stroke
Lordship,
ହେଇଯାଇଛି।
my lord.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏଠି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରୋକ ଟା କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଯିଏ ସାଇନ୍ କରିଛି ସେଇ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରୋକ।
No, my lord.
ନା
That
ଆପଣ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରନ୍ତୁ ପକ୍କା ଏଟା ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡରାଇଟିଂ ଏକ୍ସପର୍ଟ ୱିଲ୍ ଗିଭ୍ ଏ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଓପିନିଅନ।
your Lordship may kindly see. And he has not availed the same. In para 7,
That his default should not be your advantage, sir. Why should he
and
suffer? Why should he go inside the jail? Because of
check what
the-
he has never disputed that. I was not
you're
issued
saying
the check.
something.
He's saying that he has not availed that opportunity. When at this stage, your lordship can grant that everybody that to take that.
That's what I'm
at his cost, let him be.
that's what I'm doing that. So
So the innocence should not be followed.
exactly. So why should he go to the jail, sir? If something if this thing has not been done, so why if you are not given opportunity, you should have come with this. And matter is pending.
I was given the opportunity for, but it is
You
not
could
even in my knowledge why he didn't avail the opportunity, my lord.
You file an IA, I defend Quran. Make a prayer on that. So that accordingly I'll pass it on.
Your lordship may give that liberty. I'll file an IA to avail that opportunity, my lord. At my own cost, an handwriting expert may be appointed and
And I directly also I can pass order, not a problem, but it can be done. File kar do better. So, hello. So I'm granting some time. Okay. Simply I'm just adjourning it. You file that, we'll pass on. But whatever little knowledge I have on handwriting, it is same person. Say look him sign.
my lord, the Basant Pera.
Though of course I don't know about his signature কিন্তু দেখা যায় আমি জানি না কিন্তু এই যে দুইটা জায়গা লেখা জনা করো সেটা বলছি এই যে লেখিছি না সে লেখিছি সে সাইন করেছে এটা ভুল সেম লোক লেখিছি সেম লোক সাইন করছে as per the strokes coming out of this. Yes. Yes, final please. Third January.
Item 67.
You should take advantage of it. Till that time, no course. No course. Next.
So that, again, conviction under section 138 of the NA
My lord,
SI for 3 months.
Yes.
item number
Radhakala madam,
66.
कौन कौन सी?
My lord, item number 66 is skipping.
Somebody
That is my
was
item.
taking time. I don't know who was the. Huh? Maheshwar Mahanti. You are for the opposite party, right?
Yes, sir. For the respondents.
Oh. आपका ना तो अच्छी. You are for? Oh, see, sir, kine. So, क्या date कब दिए? 11th January.
But sir, I am waiting for my.
I know. Here, so there are some unscrupulous friends are there who regularly who are doing like this. So do one thing.
My lord, I am waiting since.
Anyway, madam, good काम करती हूँ खाली to compensate your grievance, to compensate your loss. I am fixing it tomorrow. Tomorrow लगा दिया खाली.
Much obliged, sir.
खाली लो no expertise होने की पास करिए.
Highly obliged, sir.
Tomorrow, hala.
Item 67.
67.
Yes, my lord. Item 67. That again, conviction under section 138 NI Act. SI for 3 months.
से लोगों को कल आगे तो मैं कम जाने लगा कभी और अपने what hearing for
Lordship directed to deposit 5 lakhs. I have deposited 5 lakhs.
5
Same
lakh.
was released in favor of my client. My
you
lordship
have taken that money, sir?
Thereafter, on 4, I'm placing on 4/12/2023, order number 5C, again further directed the petitioner to deposit further 5 lakhs.
You paid that?
No, now I'm not. I tried seeking for some time, 3 months time, so that I can take steps for.
Total कितने amount?
Total which happened 17 lakhs somewhat.
17.
23 lakhs, 23 lakhs for
आपको बेसी है एडवांस 15 कोटी दिन दिया हुआ.
So 3 months contract से loan phone avail करके केमती कौन करे settle कर दो उसका. That's why I want some time.
23 lakhs, only 5 lakhs he has given.
Out 5 lakh से मासे दे दो उसी time.
Maybe they in the 10 days already.
और कोई काम करो तो next 3 मास भीतर next amount दे दे first 5 lakh आउ जो 5 lakh का ये मास दे दे तो मैंने within 1 month from today. by 20th. Next month or
No, actually, check amount is 16,82,000.
तो सर सब तो देवाक
With
पड़िबो.
fine 27 lakhs some more ହେଇଛି.
So छाड़ तो आपण गोटे काम कर देते कथा
not 27, 23 lakhs.
You pay the amount within 1 month. हला 1 month रे दे दियंतु.
1.5 month को ने दियंतु. In the meantime,
नहीं नहीं मैं कोई 5 lakh 1 month रे दे
जो further
दियंतु.
अपन direct
Rest of the amount another 2 months रे दे दियंतु. कौन करियो? बोलो. Total
no,
two-
6 piece konde diyantu.
Or 10 lakhs from Dejantu within 1 month, then the rest part will be settled. No issues.
Although within 2 months दियंतु.
ଆପଣ 412 କହିଥିଲେ further 5 ଲକ୍ଷ
Okay, within 2 months entire amount you pay.
ଏଣ୍ଟାର ହବନି ସାର୍ ମୁଁ 3 ମାସ ପାଇଁ ଟାଇମ୍ ଅଛି
ଆପଣ ସବୁ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସହ ଚାଲିଛି।
4 ବାର କହିଲେ 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି within 1
See, neither I'm a money lender, neither I don't bargain with me. I am trying to make it a decent bargain.
Yes, taken the money and I will not.
6 weeks time ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ I paid the
ତାର ପଇସା ବି ନେବେ ଚିଜ ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପଟ ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲେଖିନ ଦିଏବା ପଇସା ଦେବେ ନେଇକି ଦିଏବ
in fact paid ଦେଇଥିଲେ for
Ah.
putting the same to rice and deliver the same to the complainant.
ଇଏ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କମ୍ପାନୀ ଟା ପରା ଇ ମାରୱାଡି ଲୋକ ପଇସା ଅଭାବ ଅଛି
He can contact my loan
ପଇସା ଆଙ୍କର ଅଭାବ ନଥାଏ ମାରୱାଡି
my loan friend is appealing for so far 5 lakhs ପାଇଁ 1 month ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
pay the 5 lakh within 1 month from today and the rest of the amount within another by
within 2 months କରିବେ
ଆଉ 3 ମାସ ଦିଆବନି ଆପଣ କମ କରିବେ
5 lakhs within a month ଦେବି rest amount 2 months ଦେବି
5 months, 15 days ନିଅନ୍ତୁ, rest amount ଗୋଟେ ମାସ କରିବେ।
15 ହବନି ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ଇଏ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆଉ 2 ମାସ ଦେଇଦେବେ କଣ
ସେତିକି at least ଗୋଟେ complaint at least କରନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ
5 ଲାख ତ 1 month ରେ
ସେଟା ବି ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା।
5 lakh ଦେବେ ତ ନହେଲେ contempt କରିବି ଫାଇଲ ହେଲା rupees 5 lakh within 1 month from today and the rest of the amount within another 2 months within by March 31st लिख दे वाला
Yes.
another the rest of the amount by March 31st 2024 ହେଲା
interim bill भी granted regular
हां
the interim
More
bill
continue-
let me regularize करते
Interim to continue करो,
okay
interim order continue
maintain the interim to continue କଣ
interim bill ଥିଲା
ଆସୁ ଆପଣ ପଇସା ଦେଲା ପରେ
ହଁ, ସେଟା
interim
ପଇସା ବି ଦେବେନି ଟାଇମ ବି ନେବେ ପୁଣି
interim to continue ମାରୱାଡିଆନଙ୍କର ଆତ୍ମା ପଶିଗଲାଣି ବୋଧେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ମାରୱାଡିଆନ କେସ୍ କରିକି
Time
ମାଗୁଥିଲେ
yes yes
Last of all, my lord directed to call for the LCR mail. LCR has not been received mail as per the noting mail.
yeah for the
Minor
Opposite
LCR is not necessary.
କାହା ପାଇଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି ସଦାବେଳେ ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି
କାହା ପାଇଁ
ମୁଁ ହଉଛି
ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି
complaint
କହିଲା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି ୱାର୍ଡ ବି ଏଠି ବ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ
Opposite-
ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି ନମ୍ବର
opposite number 2 opposite party number 2
କିଏ
complainant
କହିବେ ନା ସେ ପଦେ କହିବା ପାଇଁ ଦି ଥର କେତେ ସମୟ ନେଲେ ଆପଣ ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି ନମ୍ବର 2 କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ ଲାଇନ
and the criminal division has become
ଆପଣ
infectious.
ବସନ୍ତୁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ ର କିଛି ରୋଲ ନାହିଁ ଏଠି ବସନ୍ତୁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ ର କିଛି ରୋଲ ନାହିଁ ୟୁ ଷ୍ଟେପ୍ ଇନଟୁ ଦ ସୁଜ୍ ଅଫ ଦ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋସିକ୍ୟୁସନ ସୁଜ୍ ଆପଣ ଚାଲିବେ ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ଏତେ ତରବର ହଉଛନ୍ତି ୟେସ୍ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କିଛି କାମ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ପଇସା ଫିସ୍ ମିଳିଯାଇଛି ନା
ନା ପଇସା ମିଳିବ
ନହେଲେ ଅର୍ଡର Petition is being agreed by the order dated 23/11/2023 passed by the learned BMFC Kudumbulunguma. It is like first last like at this juncture learned council for the state submits that states and learned council for the informant submits that since the charge has already been framed
that has already framed on 7/12/2022
on 7/12/2022 and no purpose to be solved to entertain the CRLEV at this juncture. Accordingly, this court is of the view that let the matter be. This court is of the view that no purpose shall be served if the present service is entertained. However, the which court? That's which court?
Lawrence JMFC Kudumuluguma.
JMFC Kudumuluguma is directed to complete the trial within a period of 2 months from today. According to disclosure. Let it finish.
Petitioner minor
Order be
created and
completed.
my lord. Petitioner is a Borgar district, my lord. And the advocate concerned is the
Con
petitioner is the science teacher, my lord. He is from Borgar district, my lord. He is working there. But he is being threatened every day, my lord.
कौन करीबी threat কি করছে
ମାଇଲ ଗୋଟେ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ ଦେଇଦେବେ ସେମାନେ ଥ୍ରେଟନ୍ କିଛି କରିବେନି
থ্রিয়েটেন কি কাই উইটনেস
କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ତ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ
କିଏ
ହଉଛି
threat
ମାଇଲ
করছে
কি থ্রেট করছে এনি এক্সট্রাজিভ লস
পার্টি নম্বর 2
না
ମାଇଲ
না
যে আর
Okay,
Good condition.
in the meantime, the opposite party number 2 shall not intimidate or threat the present petitioner on any count. Hello, good stuff. Hello.
that is
Hello.
without an FIR without anything.
এটা কোন এই তিনটা
Serial.
Madam, I mean, pardon, say lenter na. Gote nahi kichi evidence nahi. Eta oral submission re. Eta nahi kichi nahi. Eta kati diyantu.
ନାଇଁ ସେ ରାଇଟ୍ କି କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ୍ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ନା
କିଛି ନାଇଁ complaint ନାଇଁ କହିଦେଲେ ଖାଲି ହବ
କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ୍ ଫାଇଲ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ
TRPC ଫାଇଲ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ TRP has been dismissed
ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ସେମିତି ଅଛି
TRP has been dismissed
FIR ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ୟେସ୍
ହେଟା କାଟି
CRLA 136023.
କଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଣ କରିବାର ଅଛି ଏଇଟା
ମୋରଟା 59 ଟା ତାଙ୍କର
ସାର୍ ଏଇଟା କଣ କରିବାର ଅଛି
Okay, here my lord should achieve present similar orders. 3 accused persons in vigilance case. I am a peon now.
so order is there
Convicted under section 13(2) and section 13(1)(d). 3 accused persons.
ଆପଣ ସେଇ ଏଇ କୋଉ ଅର୍ଡର କହୁଛନ୍ତି
That is one of the accused my lords in the same offense. There were 3 accused persons. One is an
you want to want to bail
Yes, this is
this for bail na
now I am before your lordship for appeal itself, admission of the appeal.
okay admission appeal को admit कर दिया
Yes, and then
hard admit call for the trial court record
yes, and interimly I have prayed for my staying of the sentence and as well as bail.
okay stay of sentence to state ये लिख दो ये लिख दो okay
If I am permitted one line submission, because my friend is in hurry. I am a peon. 50,000 surety is there in the headmaster and other cases.
so I'm taking 10,000 hello 10,000 कर दो 10,000 कर दो आओ अपन करो
interim bond
order ready कर दो बस order जो urgent है उसको order ready कर दो कल छुट्टी जो
interim bail was granted.
हाँ
Interim bail was granted, directed till end of December 2023.
you want extension of
Extension of
or you extended for another 1 month yeah ଆଉ 1 month ତ କେତେ ଦିନ ପାଇଁ ଯାଇଥିଲି
ମୁଁ ମାଗିଛି 3 ମାସ ପାଇଁ
ମୁଁ ମାସେ ଦେଲି ଆଉ ବାକି ସାହୁ ସାର୍ ବୁଝିବେ
ଆଉ ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ ହେଇପାରିବନି ତା
ମୁଁ
ଥରେ
ମାସେ
ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ସେ
ଆଉ
ଥରେ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି
3 ମାସ କଣ ପାଇଁ
3 ମାସ ତା ମଦର ଇନ ଲ ଯେ 84 ବର୍ଷ ତା ଘରେ ଆଉ କେହି ନାହିଁ ତା ଇଏ ଲେଡିଟା
ମଦର ଇନ ଲ ଏ ସବୁ ନାଁରେ ଆପଣ
ନା ଇଏ ଲେଡିଟା ଇଏ ନିଜେ ଲେଡି ତା ଶାଶୁର ତା ଘରେ ଆଉ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି ତା ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ବି ବାହାରେ
ମାସରେ ହବନି
ମାସରେ ହବନି ତା ଯୋଉ ହେଲମେଟ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ବି ଦେଇ
ଲେଡିଟା
ଇଏ ଲେଡି ତାର ମଦର ଇନ ଲ
2 months कर दो ହେଲା
ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଓପ୍ଲାଇଡ୍